Hello, I think I'm live, I think I'm existing, and why does the dog suddenly want attention? Excuse you, what's going on with you? What are you doing, fatty lumps? What are you doing, fatty lumps? Huh? What you want attention for? Huh? What's going on with you? Are you upset that I'm talking to the people instead of you? Are you upset other people are getting attention right now? You got so much attention today. Mwah. You had so much attention today. You had so much attention today. You've also had all the food you could want. You had a whole chicken breast. A whole chicken breast plus your bowl of food. And you have water right there. I can see it. Your water bowl is full. You're not too thirsty. Should I ping the peoples? Nah, don't worry about pinging the peoples for this one, Tony, just because this is going to be like a more like chill, laid back stream. So like, I don't like to ping people unless it's like, you know, oh my god, this is like, you know, like a notable stream. Like, this is meant to be just like a chill one. So, you know, you get the idea. Isn't that right, Mr. Man? Isn't that right, Mr. Man? What are you doing? What are you doing? You want me to take your collar off? I can take your collar off. Here, let me take your collar off. Let me take your collar off. Let me let that neck breathe. Whoop. Oh, look at the neck. Oh my gosh, look at all that neck. What the heck are you doing? This is me just starting the stream just to, like, give the dog attention. So yeah, they're just thinking, like, damn, I wish Volby would treat me the way they treat their dog. What are you doing? How are you doing? Hello. Hello. Oh, look at the fluffy man. Oh, the fluffy guy. What are you doing? What's got you all needy, huh? I don't know why he's so needy. I don't know why he's so needy. You're debating, sticking on the name, but, what do you think of Vib? I don't know why... Sorry, like, you're talking about, like, the little, like, toaster OC thing that you made a little while ago? What are you doing, Bubs? What are you doing, Bubs? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah? I think Vib works fine. So, I'll share you the naming schemes in a second, and I'll explain the naming scheme for, like, Tib and stuff, so you can kind of get the idea. The recycled Tib lore. It's just the idea is now is like I made Tib like open source or something, so now everybody's making like a bunch of like Tib clones basically. What are you doing? Hey, you're a good guy. Could you go lie down, please? What do you want? What do you want? There's nothing for you right now. Come lie down, babes. Come lie down, babes. Come on. You know what it starts to. You know, there's Tib and Kib, sort of. Yeah. Okay. So here, one second. Let me switch over, or let me start the MacBook stream thingamajigam, and then when I get the stream actually started for the other thingy, then you'll get more information. Vib is a cross between the Amazing Digital Circus and FP. Who's FP again? I don't recall who FP is. Damn. Sorry, let me do a thing. I need to do a thing. I need to do a thing. I need to do a thing. 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 What just happened? Excuse you? Yeah? What the fuck? No, you're not extended display, you mirror display. There we go. I think I got it. Whoa, why the hell are you doing that? You don't do that. Nuh-uh. 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 Okay, what the frick is happening? Use as... No, you're supposed to be that. Sorry, this is being very weird right now. Optimize for that, yeah. Mirror built in the site. No. You're supposed to be an extension. Stop mirroring. Yeah, you're an extended display. You are supposed to be a mirror for a different thing. Stop mirroring. Holy crap. Holy crap, 1 second. Sorry, this is all going awkward. You were supposed to mirror the UHD thing. And then this one is also supposed to mirror, not you. Whoop, don't know what happened there. You're supposed to mirror the UHD. There we go. So yeah, so UHD, 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 UHD. Got it. Okay. Holy crap, this took a second. Sorry. Let's see. Fake Pep, weird froggy guy, Rock's Heart, Vol pulling an Afton. Why am I pulling an Afton? Why am I pulling an Afton? What the hell's what huh? Okay. So okay, I think I can switch back to this now. Y'all seen the MacBook, which is cool. For some reason, the stream quality is poor right now. Also, for some reason, my mouse is not... Oh, it's because my mouse is being stupid. Can you stop being stupid, mouse? Thank you. Thank you, mouse, for stop being stupid. Oh, you're so good and awesome. Okay. Let me just make sure I'm not forgetting anything here. No, I think you're good. Okay, let me just turn this on so I can have some vibes. Hell yeah. Hear me out. Okay. Don't you say to take the sound? Yeah, end up on making you proud. Okay, I think this is working. It's saying that there's apparently issues, but I'm gonna ignore that because it says there's issues almost every time. Okay. TDS TV time, not yet. Not yet. Soon, but not yet. Oh, actually, let me do a quick thing. You're probably gonna hear some double me, but I want to hear if I can actually get the audio going through this, because if so, that is awesome, because I want the audio to go through to this. Alright, it is going to that apparently initially. I'll put on like a different stream. Let's just go to this one, I guess, from yesterday, because why not? Because I just want to make sure that y'all on stream can hear this, and then once I make sure that works, then hell yeah. Encryptedgiraffe.com, what? Oh wait, let me turn this way down first.
Draw the buckle right there.
Okay, awesome, so we can hear that.
Yeah, good enough.
Alright, now going back to the MacBook.
Like
Hold on a second, hold on a second, hold on a second. Huzzah! Huzzah! Okay, we are now back. Okay, so... you were trying to get me to reference something. Okay, youtube.com / @Volbait. Volbait. The Volbitison. Okay, then I want to go to live because you just linked something, Tonyo. Live because you just linked something. What did you just think? What did you just think? I don't like the encrypted.gstatic.com. Why do you link Springtrap? Why did you link Springtrap? Anyways, let's see, computer memory, sorry, no, I would want a kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta. So, the thing is that these are the various, tiers of, actually a few things. Vol basically read, Vol B pulling an Afton. Oh, vid. Vid. Oh, I misread that like 5 times. Anyways, so, to explain, Tanyo, the whole Tib-Kib thing, right, is so each bot has like a different purpose, right? So, and my naming scheme for actually both this and my supporter roles, because if you go to join, there's different tiers here. You can see there's like Mega, Giga, Tera, and Peta, right? The differences is that you can see like Kilo, Mega, Giga, Tera, Peta, and then Exa. Did I skip one? Hold on, wait a second. Mega, Giga. Oh yeah, I don't have Kilo, because Kilo sounds weird on its own. But yeah, so there's like Mega, Giga, Tera, Peta, and then that's based off of this scale.
So Tib is supposed to be the Terra version of this, and then Kib is the Kilo, right? So in Volbite canon lore, there is also a Mib and then a Gib. And also a Pib and then a Ib? Ib? I guess that's how you say it? EIB? Sorry, how to pronounce EIB. All Ibe. Ibe. Ibe? Ibe? I guess Ibe works. Ibe. European Investment Bank. Ibe. 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 But yeah, and then there's also technically more than that, but yeah. What if your critter was Pib? Well, you see, if you want to be cool, actually, what you could do is you could also go the complete opposite direction, where instead of going... So it's a positive and negative scale, right? So as an example, you could go Dib, Sib, Mib, Mib, Nib, Pib, Fib, Abe, Zib, and Yib. Those are all technically like within the naming conventions as well. So hey, what confused? Basically, that's just how I name the things. Anyways, let us outline the goal for now. So this is currently the Tiberson in Tiberson action. So you can see right here, here's the thing working, like the chat, you can see it's resizable for the most part. You'll see if I go over here, there's some test events where, for instance, I can do like a fake message now, and go like, hello. If I can then inject the message, you'll see that the message appears. It's just a test account because, yeah. You can see that I can also send a super chat event. So you can see right here, it'll kind of generate like a random one. So there's a couple things that I want to fix this stream. Link pics example, sure. I'll send pics. I'm doing this for you, Tony, because you special. You special, you get a pat. There you are. So those are basically like the canonical naming schemes for Tiberson. There is technically more than that as well. You can basically choose whatever the fucking whatever you want to show your tibbies now. Anyways, carrying on. So, okay, let's outline the objectives for today, just because there's a few different things. So the first things I want to do is, so we're gonna go up here. Boop. Alright, let's see, we're gonna do goals. Goals for today. Actually, no, let's do this on the HTML, so it's super obvious, so that way I can't hide from it. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go down to here, we're gonna go like this. Why is there an empty div closed there? Whatever, anyways. So we're gonna go div, or no, we're gonna do, let's see, unordered list. We're gonna make another unordered list. Okay, let's see. Okay. So there's three main things that I want to do. Actually, let's also do this. We're going to do input type is equal to a checkbox. There we are. Beautiful. And then I'm going to also make this a P, because P will take up the whole width, which is awesome. And then for style points, I'm going to go style. Style is equal to max dash width. We're going to say 60 rem, and then we're also going to say that the background dash color is going to be black with a text color of white, and then anything else I'm missing. I am missing a few things, but that's okay for now. Boop. Good enough, good enough. No, over, I say. There we are. Awesome, okay. Whoopsies. We're just gonna go back like that. Okay. Color can be that. And then what else am I missing? I'm missing one more thing that I can't quite remember. Plus my entity is... oh, wait, sorry. Inzadre? I don't know what you mean by that. What if your other critter was Pib? I mean, go ham. Go ham. You know what? I might make, like, a new canonical design for Tib instead of just, like, making Tib a fucking, a protogen. I might try to do my own, like, species, like an open species, because fucking open species are cool. I make him Zib because the Z in Zeta sounds cool. That is entirely valid. And I'll be honest, I probably won't ever touch Zeta, so there you go. There's no collision then. You read old text Zeus? I'm trying to catch up, okay? I'm stupid. There's a reason why I need Tib. let's see. Plus my entity is technically a zombie, so that is also a double down. Hell yeah. But let's see. Okay, so then we got all that. Okay, so then it's okay. Let me just do this. We're gonna go yank, pip, pip. Okay. So I have 3 goals that I'm gonna attempt to do. This is gonna be from least to most important. The first one is TTS. Or sorry, no. I want. Okay, first one is I want the clip function working. That one should be easy. This is also gonna be kind of rated like easiest to hardest. The clip function, for those of you who don't know, is basically in chat. If you type in bang clip. Then what basically happens is, if we pull out this again, you'll see that there's this clip. This is recognized as a clip command, right? And the reason why that's important is because I want you guys to be able to contribute clips from the stream, which I can hopefully then edit, and turn into things. Which, long story short, would help a lot with, like, you know, on one hand growing the channel, and then as a kickback for you guys, the various points that you get, which you should be able to see, I think, here. Yeah, here you go. So you can see right here, there's, like, points. These are very low points amounts, but basically it's like, hey, if you submit a banger clip, then like, yeah, we'll give you, like, a kickback with, like, the channel points, because, like, of course, it's some give and take, so, you know, hey, here you go. Zib, assuming he's having news as a corrupt digital entity based off of Tib, your owner, so he's kind of decayed, his eyes aren't good behind the frame. So, to put it very crudely, are they almost like a Jarvis Ultron kind of situation? I just asked because that's the closest comparison that I can think of. But anyways, yeah. So that's what the clip command is, which is my big hope. The second hope is the prediction command. Prediction command is basically you can do votes, and then the votes will do things. I don't know what you mean, yeah? Okay, so, if we do a new tab, Jarvis, Ultron. So basically the idea is that Jarvis is this little AI thingamajigam, right? And then what happened basically is at some point during one of the movies, Jarvis split off into Vision, which is this guy. But then they also split off into, Ultron, which is, you know, this dude. Like, this is like the alpha version of Ultron or whatever. And then this is like Ultron after they've like refined themselves or whatever. I sent Afton because the idea is kind of under, is the toaster is under a corpse. Oh, I see. Are trapped in the form of somebody. I see. That makes a lot more sense. So yeah, it's a little more different than that. But if you've seen those movies, then it makes more sense. Oh yeah, and then the third option is that I also want to try and implement a mother truckin' soundboard feature. So basically the idea is that you do like bang soundboard, or like I guess bang sound, and then you could do like dash and then name, right? And then the idea is that, you know, it would cost a certain amount of points or whatever, but the thing can happen. His intestinals were exposed? Oh, I completely missed that then. I apologize. I'm stupid. So, those are the 3 things I want to implement. Because as far as I'm aware, the TTS is actually currently working. The only reason it didn't work last stream was because of Ufacles. So, I'm also going to do one more. I'm going to do one more little thingy. Is going to be, I want to make it so that, let's see, enter on YouTube chat sim sends message. This is a small quality of life feature for me. So, his skin is not his skin. He's trapped in the toaster. I see. The animatronic worms are real. Okay. So what I'm going to do real quickly now is I'm going to make a quick poll, even though there's only, I think, Tony watching right now. But hey, who knows? Some people might show up. What to do first, question mark. Enter thing, clip function working, boop boop. Then I want to do a prediction command. And then the last one is soundboard feature. Start poll. So, I'll give you all a second to vote because I think you feel like this is one-sided just a little bit. But hey, think about it this way, Tony. You have all the power. I'm going to very quickly just do the enter thing, actually, because the enter thing is probably going to take 5 seconds, if I'm being completely honest. Because all I need to do is just add like one little listener to it, so I'm gonna call that an easy win. And then I'll let you all vote on the rest. Let's see. Oh, I just realized I need to send a message. Let's see. Oopsies. Let's see. Forgot to say one. There we are. Okay. So now all I need to do is I forget what I need, like search for the text of this. YouTube API message simulator. So let's do message space simulator. So then all I need to do is find the on click for this, which should be there. There's the button. Actually, no, I don't want it on the button. I can do the placeholder. Yeah, the input there. Okay, so then I'm just gonna do let's see, input dot on, I think it's like key down. I actually don't recall how to do this thing. Let's see, JavaScript, listen for key press. This is probably gonna be close enough. Key down, function event dot key. Okay, got it. Let's see, event dot key down. I think that's what I'm looking for, right? Key down? Key down? Key down is going to be equal to a function, and that function is going to do, let's see, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go, whoopsies, event. Can I not do the event thing? I can just do E, I guess, sure. Let's see, if, let's see, if E is equal to, or sorry, if E dot key is equal to, I think space is what I'm looking for. Space. Let's also do this, I guess. We'll do string, boop. Is equal to space. Or sorry, we should say not equal to space. Doop. We're going to do nothing. We're just going to return. Else will be another thing in just a second. Why are you erroring out? I don't know why. Also, I don't feel like chat is updating. I don't know. I have no hands and I must draw. Also, I'm surprised though you didn't realize that Tiv's face super day led to the ruined steel cage of the toaster. I think I might have missed a lot of details because I think I was running around taking care of like IRL thing, and I think I might have just completely missed it. I think I might have just completely missed it because I'm a giant doobus. Did you share it in art sharing? I don't recall the channel that you shared in. Yes, you did. Oh, I see it now. I see. I think earlier I thought it was like the toaster was just like broken. I think that was what I thought. I think that's what I thought. Yeah, the internals of the toaster were bleeding. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. That also should be pinned up here. Thank you. Also, you're not... Okay, they work. Okay. I was worried this didn't exist for a second. I was like, what? Okay, also, just because style points, sorry, this is gonna bother me, margin, auto. Boop. Wow, guys, look, I centered a div! That's crazy! Anyways, okay, sorry. Okay, so then all I gotta do is I go back here, if that is equal to a space, string is declared, but the value is... No, string is a cast. That should not be... Oh, because I forgot to make this an arrow function. Oopsies. That's what the issue is. Okay, there, got it. I was so confused there for a second. The toaster was sliced off. Ooh, what's the lore behind the toaster head being sliced off? That's so wonderful. Glurp, glurp, glurp. Okay, so now what I want to do is after I do the space, if that's the case, okay, then what I want to do is I want to do button on click. We're going to abstract this to... whoopsies. We're gonna go here. We're gonna boop boop. Yes, I think. Data message equals that function, input value. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna make this a function that is gonna be, let's see, send, what is it that I use it for? Send, simulated message. And then same thing here. Else we'll do send simulated message. There we are. Boop. Wonderful. Okay, then we're gonna go like this. Then we're gonna just declare the thing here. And then does this directly get the reference from the thing itself or no? ISO string, fake channel, display name. I'll just make the system instead of test. System message. There we are. That I think is a dead link as well. We're gonna go doop, and we're gonna go assets / is there just I guess I'll use Sleepy Tib for this because why not? Because lol, why not? Who does love the Sleepy Tib? Yes, it's a real reference. I added solely to show off he is real organs of the toaster. I see. Humber is a reference to Gooseworks Blue Channel Thalison commercial. I see. I don't think I've actually seen that one, but valid. Valid. I'm actually going to rename this from system to just system, or from system message to system. Simulated YouTube message was monkey to response. I feel like there's something I'm missing. Because how does it get the string again? E-tag ID, publish that, text, okay. Input.value. No, that kind of makes sense, okay. That should work out, I think. The only thing that concerns me is the indentation of this, but I think you're okay. Because if I go to here... Where the frick is the end of this? There it is. Mock YouTube response. Boop, boop, boop. That's just a variable. Let's say UI. Constant mock YouTube response. That feels very wrong. Where did I get... I got lost in the sauce somewhere here. I'm very much lost in the sauce. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on. Mom, I'm scared. Please help. Input.key value. I see. It's because the indentation is still something I've yet to fix. Doop. Okay. So we got the input dot something or other is going to be mock YouTube response. No. Send simulated message. That's what I forgot to do. Yeah, fuck it. Send simulated message. Function. There we are. Wonderful. Boop. So now let's just make sure this one works, so that I can get an easy one crossed off as a quick dub. Boop. Boop. No, it's not working. Oh, you know, it probably needs to be enter instead of space, because that's what I did. Wait, hold on. Does it work with space, though, is the question. I think I did space. No, okay. Got it. Text value, send simulated message. Send simulated message if the thing is not equal to... Not space, I'm thinking of enter. It might have also needed a capital S, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see right about now. Test message send. Boop. No, not working. Okay, what's going on here? Type error cannot do that. That seems to be functioning. Okay, let's just try this one. Let's see. Console dot. I'll do a warn, I guess. Warn. Let's see. Got keystroke. Boop. And then we'll do e dot key. Refresh it. It might have just also not even updated because of the frickin' thing, which actually looks like it might have been the case. No, those are all images, and I think this is the... Yeah, that's just a weird random error. I don't even know what the hell causes that. So go boop, 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 boop. Can access process, parse that this is undefined. Ooh. Add and process. Oh, sorry, process and add. Okay, so I probably ought to do, window.cockatiel. Window.cockatiel. Because that should work out. Then if I refresh one more time, expand the page, asdif, boop. Did that work? Did that work? Hey, it looks like it worked. Hello, how are you? Question mark. Alright, so it does work. It's just not refreshing to the top. This is another test for ease of use because lol, why not? Yay! Okay, cool. It works. It functions. Alright, there's my easy win. Let's see, enter a YouTube chat, send a message. Yep, there's that one. Let's just refresh the page to see if this stays sticky or not. I hope it does. It does! Yay! Oh, here, you know, let me pull up chat on another monitor, because right now this is a touch hard to read on the current monitor. There's a reason why I'm working on Tib right now. Ha 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 ha. Let's see. Let's see. Brew, you should see it's, sorry, it's pretty neat, especially for analog fans. That's valid. I feel bad for Zib. Imagine it's very comfortable having a bread crammed in where your brain once was. Yeah, I imagine it would be a weird feeling. Fun fact, another impression for Zib was the picture of you on your... sorry, the inspiration for Zib was that picture of you doing your best Kane impression. I don't even remember doing a Kane impression, low-key, for real. For real, low-key. No cap. Okay, so let's just see if the clips function's working. It might even be working, but I just don't even know. Let's see. Let's see. Clip. No, so we're gonna go bang. Clip. Oh, no, I'm being completely stupid right now. I gotta do window dot cockatiel dot get clips is the function I'm thinking of. Okay. I'm gonna see if clips process clip command. No, okay, so there's only 4 instances of it, so we're gonna do process clip command at the end of this. I'm gonna do get clips. Boop. At Volbite check DMs. Oh, I get it now. For context, I guess I'll share this. Tony was referring to this wonderful image, apparently. Fantastic. Fantastic, Tony. I also don't know why this is kind of being weird. Did I actually fuck that up royally? Oh, because I didn't close the LI. There we go. That'll fix it. That's probably the HTML parser, like, freaking out, like, how do we handle this? How do we handle this? Yeah, that's a little better. Okay. So now that that one's done, now I can work on the clip commands. So what I'm going to have to do is, because I know the state thing, is we're going to do this dot... Or no, we're going to do, let's see, we're going to do, const, timeline is going to be... Hey, Tony, could you send a bang clip real quickly? Bang being like exclamation point. Just so I can test the clip command in a second. Because I want to have one that's a bit further back that I can test with. And make sure that like multiple from different people are working. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's all I should need. Let's see. Timeline is equal to this dot hashtag state dot event timeline. Oh no, I need to do a structured clone, I think. Structured clone. Boop. There we are, structured clone. So that way now this is a clean timeline to work with. Also, cramming an entire head into the space of a toaster is pretty hard, I imagine. Yeah, there might just be a little bit of disfigurement. And also, thank you very much, Tony. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pat, pat. Let's see. So we're just gonna do this, then, okay. I want to see if first that the clip type command is functioning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to very quickly load the messages from the YouTube config. So we're going to load the inputs, click to compile, that's the current stream. We're going to save the inputs. Wow, look, it's Tony's messages. That's crazy. Current messages equals that. I don't care that much. Then we're going to go state. Boop. Then we're going to check out, not the commands, we're going to go to the event timeline. And then I want to see Tony's little thingy, because I want to see the clip message registered. So we got a bunch of logs, some warnings, log, version 1, channel origin. Is this the clip? Oh, that's... Oh, no, there's a message here. Okay. Warn. Does this have a clip command in it? You feel bad for Zib. Is that... Okay, that's back a bit, so it'd be probably quite a bit more ways down. So, I guess I can just look for the message. Is it maybe here? No. Commands, no command, check DMs. So it would be a little bit after this. Is it this one maybe? So this one is that image. Okay, so that's just one message later. Okay. So this one here. Okay. So type clip should be right here, right? Process clip command. Command type clip. Okay, that is actually not correct. Where the hell is that being defined? Okay, yeah, see, this is what I want to test. Let's see, command type is equal to quote clip. Process clip command. Okay, no, that's valid. Is it just immediately opening into the object? Hold on. Process clip command. No. Okay, and this is coming from process command, yeah. Or parse command from message. We hear command object is equal to that. Yes. Okay. So where do I assign the message type here? Because I'm not even seeing that myself, actually. Because it should be this dot commands. Let's see. Stores global variable. So we're doing temp 0. Because that doesn't look like the thing that I'm looking for. Dot commands. Yeah, no, it isn't. So there's some fucking error that's going wrong here. And process message. Okay. Let's see. I'd love to do something with Zib sometime, though I don't know if you will. We'll have to see. It depends how ambitious I can be. Let's see. Also, cramming into... Oh, yeah, I read that one already. Blur's Toaster Baby Birth for my Mind Printer. I like how the Mind Child thing has kind of expanded. It's awesome. I enjoy seeing it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, so then we're doing parse command for message. Is equal to command message or that. Okay. So now what's going wrong with this? Parse command for message. And the issue that the clip one seems to be functioning differently. Is this not returning an object? Is this returning like a bunch of functions? Return command. Could you do me a favor, Tony? Could you try send me another bang clip, but with text after it? Like, just like bang clip asdif or something like that, please? McThankies from McSpankies, if possible. At clip, hola, how's this? That should be fantastic, Tony. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Tony. Thank you. You help improve Tib constantly. So that worked. Did that get messages? It did not. So we're gonna start the monitor. We're gonna stop the monitor. Look at Tony, you're red now. Okay, so clip, how's this? Hola, how's this? Okay, so that does look like it functioned. So then what I want to do again is I want to do get state. A little bit bigger now. That's fine. Humber is me 24/7. I don't... Who's Humber again? Humber. That doesn't seem like what I'm looking for. Humber is me 24/7. Oh, okay. I will add this to my watch later. Where's my watch later? Is it right at the top, was it? Yes. Cool. Okay, I will add that to my watch later. This is stupid. I will take note later. First? What? Why first? What? What's the first about? What's the first about? Huh? Hey? Huh? Alright, so we got the clip commands going. So that I need to go into here. I want to see if the type of being a clip is valid. Type log message equals that, valid equals that. Channel origin. Let me make you go bigger for a second. Actually, I just realized there's an error. What's the error? What's the error? Hold on, what's the errors? So those are the images, that's fine. That's another useless error that I don't care about. Oh, cannot read that way. 4, 5. Where's the 6th error? Where's the 6th error? Debug errors. Oh, that's just the same error twice. Okay. I thought I was tripping shits there for a second. Got it. You're a pain in the ass, but we'd love you no less. Thank you, that's me pretty much. I was thinking where the thingy was? Oh, you mean in the video? Oh, I see. I see. Well, you see, I'm a dumbass. I wonder if it'll work here. You said hola. Hola. No, it does not seem to be a thing. Oh, here it is. So the clip type is returning just a different object in general, which is weird. He's a visual baby. Yes, correct. Also, hello, one. How are you doing? How is the one? I also don't know why. For some reason, that command is being weird. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try to do a quick bang help. And then I'm gonna refresh this because I want to see how it handles the help command. Because I might have made a fuck up at some point, and if I made a fuck up at some point, that's a yikesicles. So oofers. There we are. Okay, event timeline. And then we are around the 1100s, and then I'm looking for a hola. Okay, so the help command is also returning the wrong data type. Is that because I did an old one? Because it does have the message as well. Maybe it just isn't updated. One second. Let me compare the objects. So if we look at the log, no, the log would be a bad one. Let's just look like a message like up here. Commands, donation. No, these are two completely different objects. These are two completely different objects. Okay. Do you find my tripod silk song in a few minutes? Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Have your fun. Let's see, process TTS command. Because I want to make sure this isn't doing anything different, because... Oh, it does return the whole object. No, it just returns the message command template. Oh, I think I might have fucked it up. I think I might have made a fucking... I think I might have made oopsie. Parse command from message. Because realistically, this command right here should just be handling the command section of it. But I think what might be happening is that if there's no commands, it just collapses or something. Command object or no. Because for some reason, if it's a help command, it isn't returning the same thing. What the fuck? Somebody made a fucky wucky? I might have, which is what's concerning me, because I might just be entirely misunderstanding this. Boop. Okay. Because if I go to process this, so it gets the thing. So it just straight up returns the command. Clip command found, which is there, and then it runs this. And then this should be a command object. Oh, I see, because it's not returning the object. It's got to go like that. It needs to be I actually close that, but if we try this again now this I think should be fixed. The clip command, and I think I'll have to do the help command after, but let's just try this and see if this works. Load inputs, start monitor, stop monitoring. Okay, then... Oh, hello, Joshua. How's it going? How does the Joshua do? How does is do done the Joshua be? Yes, see? Yes, correct, yes. Wait, did I not get all the messages? No, I did. Joshua's right there. The first message, for some reason, the icon doesn't load, and that's a thing that I don't know how to fix. So we're going to smile, nod, and go, and then from there, so we're going to go commands. We're just going to go back to the event timeline. It was around the 11s. And then we're doing the hola. Where the fuck is the hola? Yo, oh meh. I am sorry to hear you're doing meh. What goes on in your day-to-day? Alright, that's Joshua's message, so I'm a bit ahead of myself. You're paying the ass, but we love you nonetheless. Okay, I think that was... after... No, that was before, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna go a little bit after this one, somewhere. Is it this one? No, it's the yo-yo. Did this one just get aided now? This one get aided? Hold on a second. I'm having a minor issue. And I knew about this issue for a while. Basically, long story short, a cord died. Or is dying. And I think it might have finally kicked the can. Because for some reason my headphones are now unbalanced. So let me fix my unbalanced headphones. Let me just... Give me a second just to fix this. Give me a second to fix this. Not much today. BBN came out. Bite by Night. What is Bite by Night? Do expound, because I have no fucking idea what that is. Not a clue. Not a one. Okay, so there's that one plugged in. Time for a new cable. Boink. Whoop. There. Wow, my headphones suddenly feel balanced. Okay. I died. Oh, here, I'm gonna try share this real quickly on stream so y'all can have a bit of context for this, right? It's kind of hard to see there. Let me try to do it like this. Can I, like, turn on, like, the mandatory flash? There we are. No, not flash auto. I'm saying flash on. On. There we go. Holy shit. That doesn't look like a flash on to me. There we go. Holy shit. There we go. Wow, it's crazy what happens when flash magically works. Okay. Are you leaning into the... Are you leaning to the right? I hear my right ear. No, I shouldn't be. If I am, then that's some sort of issue. Oh, I see. I see. There's an issue. There's an issue. Oop, there we go. Fixed it. No, I didn't. What the hell happened? Wooba? 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 Whoa, my monitor's freaking out. That's fine. I can fix that. There we go. Okay, cool. Sorry. Apologies. Basically, it buns a little fucky wucky, and if I accidentally bump it, then it only comes out the right ear. So, oops. Alright, let's see. So, what I need to do now is I need to go to... I'm going to send this to Tony just for a little bit of context, and I'll open this on stream for everybody else. So, for context, for those of you who wonder, this is what my old headphone cable looks like. This is the part that plugged into the headphone. And you can see how kind of mangled it is right here. The strain relief is dead. 90% of old beach trees, there's an issue. Hey, listen, it's part of the charm or something. Alright, so now for some reason, between Uno and DOS, so there's the yo-yo-yo, that's fine. Points updated, checking for thing. For some reason, if I try to clone the message object, there's an error. You're a pain in the ass, but we love you nonetheless. Especially... Yeah, so the message that I sent was after this. The message type, new user, creating profile, when I clap down. Yeah, that makes sense. Attempt to add user to user, that makes sense. Created user, score points earned. Okay, message not exist, yo, yo, yo. Am I tripping? Was that... Oh, I'm looking in the completely wrong spot. I mixed up fucking ones and fucking my message. Holy shit, I'm a dumbass. Yabba-dabba-dee-ba-doo-ba-dabba-dee-ba-doo-ba-dabba-doo. He's a special baby boy. Hello one cat face, or hello one cat face. I think that was a little bit before. Yeah, this is okay. So literally the next message is the one that I'm thinking of. Oh, there we go. Oh wait, there we go. Big oof. Okay, so process message help, raw message help. That doesn't help, but the command is actually returned correctly now. Okay. I don't know why that's the case, because this really shouldn't be the case. Like, it really, really shouldn't be the case. Parse command from object. Command object equals that, then message.commands equals that. Are we returning the new message? We are returning the new message. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to then do one more thing. Oh no, never mind, that one should be fixed. Okay. Big oof? Yes, correct. I was really in that poll. Wow, look at it. It's a perfect split on the poll. Well, I guess I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. So then after we do that, okay. My issue is that this shouldn't be dependent on this. Parse command from message. Sorry, I lost my place. Because the issue is that if I get a command, I shouldn't need to return the whole object. But for some reason, I'm returning... No, it is just a message command. Maybe it is trip shits. Wait, is there a clip command? No, that's just message command. Okay. So then we're just going to do process command for message. Then I got to do help as well. Actually, wait, was clip labeled as clip or was that just help? Type is going to be equal to message. That makes sense. Should I do that, though? Should the type be that? Commands, command type equals help. Message help. Okay. I'm going to say yes, because it seems more in line with the thing, although it's a touch redundant. Obligatory Volbite Beach episode when? What? What would the beach episode even be? What would the beach episode even be? What would it do? What would it done-do be? Done-do, done-dee-boo, done-do-do. Alright. So we're going to do... Let's say ret is now equal to this. Catch. This dot debug prints. We're going to like this. Could not clone message command template from process, sorry, not from, in process vote command. Okay, there we are. Whoopsies. Ret, sorry, yeah, let's do that. Let's do, val is equal to ret. There we are. And also, I just realized I forgot to add the message flag here. So we're going to go boop. Message. Going to be that. Followed by the val is going to be equal to that. Also, Joshua, how's your FNAF game going? If you're still hanging around. Bibble Nudity released a beach episode, Bulby. I don't know what the beach episode is. Yank, process, clip, command. I think Tony just wants to see me with my wanger out. Alright. Alright, should be fine. Alright, let's see, process, help, command. Show me your TVs, please. Shut up! Alright, we're gonna do this. We're gonna boop. Let's go with that. Then we're doing... This is a bit of a bad thing, but I'm gonna leave it in place because... Actually, I'm not. Fuck it. Error is gonna be equal to the error. Then we're just gonna go, veet, deet, deet, da-da-dee-da doot. There we go. And then, what am I thinking of? Command type is help. Yeah, that's fine. I have minus 62 to live to live unless you show me your TBs. Start event monitor. Stop event monitor. Bop. No, Tim's dead. Tim died. Sorry, you're exploding, I guess. The beach episode is an episode that happens on the beach. Well, I mean, I got that, but I mean, like, I thought there'd be something more exciting or whatever. I didn't think it would just be a beach episode. I thought there'd be a little bit more going on with them, and I don't fucking know. I don't... Do I look like somebody who knows what a beach episode is going to be? Do I look like somebody who knows what is going to happen during a beach episode? No. No, you're wrong. Sir. Process the help command. Parse command from message. Okay. I think it's fine to do a double check. It is kind of wasteful, but like, the thing is that at some point I can see stringing multiple commands together, so I don't really want to separate them out too much. Actually, you probably do look... Sorry, what? Spicy beach episode, question mark? Actually, you probably do look like that. What do I look like? What do I look like? Alright, we're gonna do get, clips. Alright, let's see, YouTube, API, get, start time. Or, sorry, get, stream start time. As he looks one-to-one with, the VTuber, even down to the no leg. Sure, let's go with that. Like, you know what could happen? I don't know what could happen, no. Do define. Do expound. Let's see, boop. That doesn't seem to answer my question at all. YouTube sharing API overview. Q points represents an ad break that can be inserted to a live broadcast. Okay, API use cases, scheduled broadcast, associate things. Live broadcast information, supply transitions between broadcast states. Live stream get information about the live stream, transfer it to YouTube. The stream provides context with the broadcast users with the live stream. You can best exactly the live. Oh yeah. Q point, which might trigger an ad break. Use the live stream to Q point messages or to Q point during a broadcast. Okay, supported operations, live stream. Okay, I guess a live broadcast then was probably what I want. Partial resources. They don't care too much about that. User authorization, in some cases, that's fine. What I want to do is I want to get the live broadcast. Alright, let's just try this. So they're saying that I can do something like... Where the hell is it? Stream status. Published ad is probably the start time. Ooh, these are some fun things to get. Enable low latency status. Okay. So... Okay. So I guess I'll share this. Let me open Krita on this monitor first. This is a thingamajigam, and then once I get it started, then I'll drag it over. Oh, there it is anyways, I guess. Cool. Okay. So let's just do this. we're gonna... Actually, no, wait. I don't want to do this one with you. I want to do a new one. I want to do one that is 320 by 180. Alright, create. Okay, so the thing with the beach episodes is that, if I recall right, they're the most of the time, the most fan service with no real significance. I'll not explain what that means. So that's what the Tibbies are about. Okay, anyways. So, carrying on. Let's get the frickin' pixel brush going. I don't care about that. The drive is coming in on, I think, Monday, so... Hell yeah. Okay. Where's the goddamn pixel brush? Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Yay, pixels! Yeah, that's pretty much what beach episode is, Tony. Fair enough. I didn't know that about specifically. Can you show us the Tibbies? Purple is being held hostage until you share. Let's see. I don't know where Tibbs' resources are. Where's Tibbs? Where's Tibbison? Where's Tibbs' side? You know what? You know what? You know what? Whoopsies. Whoops. This is the best I could do. This is what you're getting, Tony. Whoops. No! There you are. That's what you're getting, Tony. Take it or leave it. Alright. Alright, anyways, so this is me thinking out loud, by the way. So this isn't like just for you guys, this is for me as well. That's your alter ego, albit. Not a Tibby. Fair enough. Alright, anyway, so the way that the stream currently works is it's a timeline of events, right? So you'll have like log, message, and then whatever, so on and so forth, right? So I think what I want to do is what would be best is a stream start event, right? And then a stream end event, right? Because then what could happen is that I could do like a message, or so like message, I don't know, I'm doing it sideways, message, stream start event, you know, message, and then stream end event. And then that way the timeline is preserved, and then if there's messages either before or after the stream, then those messages can be preserved in the timeline properly. And then I think if that's also the case, then it's pretty good for the most part, I think. That's your alter ego, Ulbit. Tibbies don't even exist yet. I would like to make an IRL Tib at some point, but that's a bit of a stretch goal. Yeah, so we're going to do stream start event, stream end event. What I also maybe want to do is stream scheduled event, though. I don't think so, because if I cancel an event, and then that wouldn't be the most useful thing. It only doesn't show us the format of a live broadcast resource. Okay. Properties kind, point and point, stuff for channel ID, description, thumbnails. Thumbnails would also be nice. Snippet scheduled start time. Daytime that equals that. Actual start time equals that. The daytime is broadcast usually stated. Information is only this. Snippet is default broadcast. This property will be depreciated after September 1st, 2020. At that time, YouTube will stop creating default stream and default broadcast when channel is able for live streaming. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to ignore that. IRL Tibby at 2K subs. I think that'd be more of a donation goal than like a thing like that. Probably for like what do you call it, like a donation drive or something like that. Let's take a status. The channel status complete. The broadcast is finished. Created. Live streaming ready. Revote. Was removed by administrator action. Oof. Status privacy status. Okay. Okay, this is going to complicate things a little bit. I think the best thing to do would be to stick to the stream start and end. Because the stream start would basically be the instance of a thing happening, right? Like if I go back to here, So it'd be like, you know, like messages would be non-existent without a stream scheduled, right? So then the idea is that basically a stream, maybe I should do a scheduled event, SCH, stream scheduled event, right? Then messages can happen. Then I can either have a stream canceled event. Oh, that looks like a bit like an E. Stream canceled event, or I could do a stream start event, and then at that point that also makes sense. Then there can be some messages after that are still tied to the previous scheduled stream. Yeah, and the reason why this is important is because I'm thinking of doing calling cards. Hey, at Volbite, have you seen Tadic episode 3? I've seen all the Tadic episodes, so get shredded Shrek. Wiggle your little tuchus. That makes sense to me. Tony, I still have your messages pulled up on the side monitor because of, you know, I just had them pulled up. Tony just sent fucking this. Because,
It's me, kind of.
Yeah, okay. I think that works out. Look at the cool bee I drew, Vol. Probably exactly. Here, you know what? 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 And then, so this would be kind of like the black. There you are. There you are. We got a little guy now. We got a little fucking dude now. Look at this cool bee I drew. Look at. They're coming away from a flower. Look at that. Little dude. He's going fast. He's Newman. A little dude. The only issue is that due to some services, like I'm pretty sure I haven't streamed on Twitch in a while, but if I go to like twitch.tv/Volbite, yeah, there's still a chat for my channel, right? Or at least there was one here. Yeah, like chat. Hello, let's see, Volbite. Yeah. Yeah, see, I can still send messages, despite, you know, not streaming in a while. You also see how long ago this was. This is when I streamed FNAF 1. Damn. Is this YouTube link still active? Does that even link properly? Oh, it do. Okay. Cool. Alright. So, yeah. So I think what's going to happen is that message ID null is going to equal to another thing. Aw? Why the aw? Why the aw? Alright, templates. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Misconduct. No, message. Wawa. The Senor Wawa. Elemento PQRS. Yeah, okay, so it'd be here. So it'd be stream scheduled event. Let's see. This is used for when a stream is scheduled but not live. Let's see. So we got a stream scheduled event. We got a F for one of these. Whoops. Whoopsies. V. I guess I'll just go like that. So then this will be the stream start event. Stream end event. let's see. Whoops, I guess that works. Let's see. Used for when a stream is scheduled but not live. Let's see. Is triggered when a stream is live. Is triggered after a is triggered when a stream ends. Boop. Slumber and say they aw to the bees. Maybe. Plus that bee is heggin' sick. Is it heggin' sick? Or you know what? You know what? If you think the bee is heggin' sick. One second. Boop. Art sharing. Look at this cool bee I drew. There we go. Server's getting used. It's right here in the art sharing. Yeah, anyways, yeah. So then there's that. And then the thing is that there's no, like, basically what I could do is I could also look up, like, the broadcast ID, and then if there's no thing, then it can go from that. This boss is kicking your ass. I am the original Starwalker. I have no idea what the fuck you mean by that, but okay. Let's go with that. So let's see. Hell yeah, Tony. Alright. So what information is included with the broadcast event? Let's see. We're gonna go here. So the total chat count would actually be interesting as well. So in kind, e-tag, ID, snippet, published at, channel ID, title, string. Published at is probably the one that I'd want to care about, because that'd be where to insert it into the timeline. Because this would have to be a separate queue, and then messages would have to be relevant to the... Oh, fuck, I'm about to think of temporalness. God fucking damn it. The final boss of the Digital Circus, that sick-ass bee. Imagine that sick-ass bee was, like, some, like, extra boss or some shit. Okay. Description is gonna be that. Thumbnail's that. What I pretty much care about is all, like, right here. I kind of care about the ID. What is the ID supposed to be? Data YouTube is sending to uniquely identify the broadcast. Okay, never mind. That is what I care about more. I thought there was another live chat ID. Oh, that's for the actual beep boop chat thing, yeah. Okay. So we got the ID, we got the snippet, channel ID, broadcast, schedule start and status is all that stuff. Life cycle status. Okay. Yeah, life cycle status doesn't seem too bad. Privacy status, recording status, made for kids. Self-declared made for kids. Content details. Bound stream ID. What the fuck is the bound stream ID? Bound stream ID. Value nuclear use of the live stream bound to the broadcast. Okay. So live stream broadcast made for kids. Or sorry, there we are. Update time milliseconds. What the fuck is that? The time this is the last. Sorry. Okay, so this is the last time it's been updated. I see. Hey Volpe, what's up, Tony? What can I do for you? Monitor stream, enable monitor stream. What the fuck is monitor stream? The monitor stream determines whether the monitor stream is enabled for the broadcast. The monitor stream is enabled. YouTube will broadcast the event on a special stream intended only for the broadcaster's consumption. The broadcaster uses the stream to review the event as long as the thing. Okay. Okay, cool. Hey Volpe, for Halloween this year, what if you made yourself look like That would be a pain in the ass, but possible. Actually, low-key, for this Halloween, this would take a lot of effort and some funding from y'all, but I was thinking of making, like, a Volbite fursuit head. Like, 3D printing, like, the scaffolding for, like, the head and doing a bunch of things like that. It would be a pain in the ass, but it's something I've wanted to do for, like, years now. So maybe? Volbite fursuit head? IRL Volbite? Just take your skin off. No. Alright, so where else is I going from here? So we got content details, yeah. Enable embed, that makes sense. Snippet. Monetization details. Oh, no, I think I'm on the wrong thing. Whoopsies, I think I need to go back. Ha ha ha. Okay, yeah, so we're here, and then we're at like M something. Monetization details. No. Labeled embed DVR. That's a fucking weird one. Status. Okay, so then how the fuck do I make this request again? Because see, I have nothing against this API really. It's just like, how do I get this as a thingy? It was mostly how, like, I want to give it an update. I just can't see it. Ooh, live chat bans. Ooh. Live chat bans, resource type, ban duration seconds, user ban details, channel ID. Neat. Okay. That'll be useful for moderation. Super chat events. I'm gonna actually be at these as well. So super chat event just needs to be a whole thing as well. Sticker ID. Don't ban me, bro. I'm just a little guy. Just for that, you're getting banned for 10 years. Fuck you, Tony. Nah, you good. I keep getting what I think is the last part that I died. Oh boy, now my head hurts from all the blood flowing. The real-time stress is fun. I already went through the messages. I don't know why I'm doing the messages. Cry and piss. That's right, you piss yourself right here on the spot. Oh, little boy's doing a heckin' sleep. Little boy's doing a heckin' honk schnoo. The little boy's doing a heckin' honk shmee. Okay, so I just forget how to call this, so I guess I'll use their fucking... let's see, how do I ask, what, fetch in, JavaScript would I need to get this page, or sorry, to get this query? I guess I should do fetch URL, but still. Cries. Okay, let's try this again. What fetch, URL? How much you want to bet this won't work, but I can immediately jump to, like, fucking Gemini and then fucking do it there. Oh, it just suddenly works. Okay. Function create broadcast. I don't want to create a broadcast. I want to get a broadcast. Schedule start time. No, I'm not looking to post. What if I'm trying to... Sorry, what if I'm, trying to query, channel details... Whoops, details from... sorry, what if I'm trying to query channel, information about any-all broadcasts? There we go, that should help better. Schlorp. Schlorpins. Yep, okay. Alright, time to do this. Boop. Alright, we're just gonna do new chat, cause fuck this. Alright, what, fetch, command, let's see, would I need to run, oh my god, I cannot type right now. In order to get the, information from this page, I just need the URL. Boop. 'Cause I don't know shit. Let's see, depending on what you're trying to do, listed server update, I'm just trying to fetch the information, get, bear your access token, accept that, so live broadcast part snippets, 7.9. I don't want to create a broadcast. I want to list broadcasts. Okay. Let's try this. I know I kind of do this already. I just want to double check because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to expound this. Oops, let's do that. Tab new. We're gonna go into here. We're then gonna go into web client. We're then gonna go into the YouTube state. Beep beep. Get or let's do broadcast, I guess. Broadcast. Get live and upcoming. Yeah, so I kind of already have this. What is the difference between this though and the other thing? So video type status. Whoops. Alright, so we're gonna like this. We're gonna make a big buffer here just so I can isolate this shit because this shit is like fucking herpes. Okay, so we're doing this. Live broadcast. Okay, so we're done with that one. No, Google API. So search part equals to channel ID. Okay, so this is a whole ass query. Versus live broadcast part equals to that equals true. Get. These feel like two different search parameters entirely. Okay, so let's just try to do this. Boink. Okay. Then what if I run, say, I'm going to separate out the motherfucking thing here. And I'm going to try to run this on an alternative page because I just need to do a test to make sure this actually functions the way that it does. Because if this doesn't function the way it does, then I'm going to shit. Okay, let's try that. We're going to go like that. Oh, look at that. Got an error. What error did I get? Response is invalid unauthorized additional. Okay. I might have entered that wrong, so let me try to correct it. Authorization. Maybe it just wants to be like this. Let's try that. Another error. Okay, what if I then try one more time with the lol keck of it? I'm gonna try this. Boop. Also an error. Okay. Yeah, see, the issue is that this key is not done in the way that I'm used to. So what if instead I jump back to here and I try to get the old one? So we got this. Boop, boop, boop. The issue is like this is the most fragile part of it. So the issue is that if I don't get this, then it's like it's a big fuck. Let's see. So broadcast concat items with status. Alright, let's just try this real quickly. So we're gonna do that. And then what the hell do I need to fix from this? So channel ID. I can get this from Cockatiel over here. Look at this. YouTube config. Channel ID. Boop. I'm gonna just copy that out real quickly. I gotta paste this over here. The reason why this is off is because this is semi-sensitive. And then if I also don't get this properly, then this is going to be a big pain in the ass. Wait, status is also blocked? What is status supposed to be? Status is statuses or status? Oh, because it's running in two different commands. I see. So we're going to go for upcoming, I guess, just as a test. Actually, let's do live, because that might be different. Type equals... no, that's not that. Type is going to be equal to... Oh, no, that's the event type. I see. Event type, we're going to say is equal to live. Max results is equal to... I think it says 5 there. Yeah, 5. And then the key is equal to the API key, which I need to recopy again. Boop. Copy that, paste that into the API key here. I've kind of limited the API key, so if it leaked, it's not like the hugest deal, but like, yeah. Continue must be inside loop. Excuse you? Okay. I think I might see the error. I think I just gotta go like this. I think I gotta go like this, if I'm correct. If I ain't tripping. Actually, why don't I just copy this whole ass function and just adjust it very slightly? Well, actually, I shouldn't, because oofers. Let's do that. I don't want to do that. No, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like here. I'm gonna yank that. I'm gonna go one line down. We're gonna go like that. Why did not paste properly? Excuse you. I know why I didn't paste properly, because I didn't copy that properly. I see. Boink. There we go. Fixed it. Let's see. So for that, let's see. For I need to make a dummy array. Let r is equal to Let's see. So for I in r, yep, we're gonna do all that. That looks like it should run now. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna have to recopy this. God damn it. Actually, wait, can I just do .youtube state? Wait, hold on. YouTube, or sorry, it'd be probably .yt, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? I don't know what I did. YouTube v3. Oh no, it's just YT. Wait, can I just do this then directly? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me refresh the page so I can fucking try this. Hold on. Can I just try this? Dock to bottom. Hee bottom. I can pull up chat now again because I can read again. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Don't ban me, Rotos. Look, I cry that. Yeah. Fuck this game. I see. One is having a fantastic time. Window.cockatiel.yt.get. No, it's lowercase get, isn't it? Get. Live and upcoming. I think I could just call that straight up. No. Promise pending. API not valid. Please enter thing. Oh, because I forgot to get the things, didn't I? I forgot to get the values, didn't I? Yep. Okay, let's try that again. We've loaded the values. Now it is time to run the values. There we are. Broadcast found. Does this return all the objects that I'm hoping for? Oh, it looks like it might. Oh, it looks like it might. Oh, published at. It includes the thumbnails. It has ID information. Okay. The question is, do I want to try build an event timeline for everything? I think not. Description, check out Volbyte.com. That makes sense. Okay. I am going to not worry about this too much. I might try something else later. I'm not going to worry about that too much now, though. Because what I'm thinking is I'll create a bounds, and then I'll bounce across that bounds to be like, yes, no, maybe so, possibly, perhaps, consider? Let me do one tiny thing quickly. I'm gonna go like that. Haha. Muhi ha hu ha hu ha hu ha hu ha hu. Okay. Let me also turn off my light. Ciao. I live in darkness. Now my brain can activate like Kinger. Haha. Actually, let me just the songs too, because I just remembered. I remember the song I want to listen to. I remember the song I want. Let's see. WAF rain. Okay. Let's try this then. Mouth trap. Rain. Yeah, Winter 6 rain. I see. That's what I'm looking for. I forgot the artist name. Winter 6 rain. Rain. I like Winter 6 rain. Yes. Warm embrace. Let me comfort.
In the drain. Ooh. Beautiful. That's a good song. Now. Maybe a minute.
Okay, anyway, so it looks like it's working. I see the publish time and the start time. They look identical, though. So does it just undo the schedule, then, if that's the case? That's the wrong thing. I want the actual documentation. So right now, I'm currently pinging for the live broadcasts. What if I go back to here? What is in here? If I go back to here, we're going for event type. No, so we're basically just publicly searching for these instead, actually. Okay. I wanna know. Oh, I did not mean to hit the super bass thing. Whoopsies. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's see. I have an auth key. I get errors when this happens. Can you show me how to properly add the auth token? Auth token using a I forget what it's called. String insert is what I'm thinking of. String insert. Question mark. Playing more analytically has yet to reveal results yet. Is causing me to cope with the lack of skill, though. Hell yeah. Okay, so it is just auth key. Okay, all right, let's just do this. So I'm gonna try and make this a new function because I don't really see a reason not to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do async. Whoop, that's not what I'm looking for. Async query for live streams. Boop. Nope, not what I'm looking for. Ever I am gonna melt into the sun. You. Let's see, so we're gonna do auth key or I'm trying to think of what else I'm missing here. I don't think I need anything else actually. I think I just need my auth key. Auth key is gonna be equal to by default, I think it's config dot not auth key. Is it API key? Alright, I'm gonna leave a mark here. I'm just gonna go to the top. No, it is config dot API key. Okay. Config dot API key. There we go. I'm gonna melt into be gone. Alright, this should be functioning now. Query for live streams, please. Good cockatiel, sir. Good tip, sir. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Boop. Let's get live and playing. We're gonna go query for live streams. Boop. Don't care about whatever error you got going. Oh, wait, I need to load that first. Boop. Boop. Config is not defined. Bullfuck. Oh, because I need to go this dot config. Oops. Is equal to this dot config dot API key. There we go. Fixed it. Fixed it. I'm so smart. This here we go. Boop boop. I'm gonna then await this. Is this another roofers? Requested invalid credentials. Two token. Login or token invalid. Please see that. Copy link location. Doot, doot, doot. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to copy this. I just need to fucking do this. Doot, doot, doot. Requirement. Go to the clients page. Create a client. Select a web application type. Name your auth to event and create. Oh, I guess I didn't make one. Okay, cool. App name is going to be cockatiel. I'm just gonna do this. Let's see. I'm just gonna leave this as a breadcrumb for myself. Let's see. Needed o auth. Sorry. O dash auth. I don't know why I did it like that. O auth token. I'm gonna say OAuth token. OAuth 2. OAuth 2 token. Whoops. From. Doop. There we are. Alright. So create application, web application type, create. Application. Support email will be whoops. Sure, I guess this one, because why not? Internal available users within your organization will not need to submit for app verification. Yep, that is just me. You're gonna make your app usable to. Yeah, that's. I can only accept that thing. What? Because you're not a Google Workspace user, you can only use your app available to external general audience users. Okay. Available to any user with a Google account, your app may start testing mode and only be available to users when you add a list of test users. Once your app is ready to push production type, you need to verify your app. Okay, that's fine. I don't ever have to publish this. Contact information. These email addresses are for Google. Know you better choose gmail.com. That's the channel email. I agree to that. Yep, 100% red. Create. Also, what the hell's the branding about? That's just something that's confused me. Alright, that has to be a whole ass thing. Don't know what the hell that's about. Cool. You haven't configured OS. Create OAuth client. Notifications. G then N. Okay, that's apparently all good. Application type, web client, web name, cockatiel, stream query, authorized JavaScript origins, 19. Sorry, what would that be? What would the URI be? Example URI, web server. Okay, here, 1 second. I'm gonna just do this on a separate page. I'm gonna do what's my IP? What's my IP address? Get deeper into the sun. Love goes on. Invalid origin. It must be my HTTP thing. Fuck! This is gonna be a pain in the shit. How would I do this? If you use it for your web application, as well, you cannot contain wildcards or paths. You use a port other than 80. You must specify, for example, HTTPS example.com. Could I do HTTPS semicolon double dash my IP address on port 8080? I'm about to go into a world of networking. God damn it. I really don't want to fuck with this shit. Okay. Let's go. Okay. I'm here. Welcome to I'm here, Adam. I have suffering to do. Because I've never touched this shit before. I don't know what the fuck to do about this. Authorized JavaScript web origins. I don't know how to make a request from a web server. Ah! Pain. Gaggedy. Pain and gaggedy. Authorize URI. Okay. You must run on multiple platforms. Each needs its own client ID. See setting up your Doodaloo for more information. Let's see. You put your computer up. Oh, you packed your computer up. You can't even program right now. Sad face. That is understandable. I am trying to think of how the fuck I want to do this. Because I can't host a server right now. The issue is that me hosting a server right now would be too unreliable. So then how would I do this? If I were to host a thing, I could do either a server box or processing, or I could do a Lambda function. If I did a Lambda function, that could function, but that would also be a lot of data to process, and it would cost money. Let's see. I don't even know what the hell I want to do about this. Alright, you know what? You know what? We're going to do it the lazy way, and we're just going to use the other one right now. So we're going to do... let's see, to do this shit. Then we're going to go like this. Boop, boop. Boop. Okay. So we can do get live and upcoming. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Cockatiel. Then what I'm going to do is it's going to exist outside of... Actually, this will be in my state. Hashtag state. Okay. Then I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go then create something under T. I'm going to do temporal newest is going to be set to 0. Temporal oldest will also be a 0. Alright, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to go... I'm just going to double check what the meaning of temporal means, because maybe I'm just mixing it up. Temporal meaning. Temporal means related time as opposed to space or eternity, lasting only for a limited time. Temporary are considered widely. The scalar bounds are the spatial ones. It is also used to automatically describe the temporal area of the skull. Yeah. Temporal awareness, temporal data, or temporal sequence of events. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking of. Okay. So I'm going to say temporal start and temporal end will be probably the best way to do this. I hate lambdas. I only love lambdas when I need them. Yeah, I mean, it's the issue of that, like... I'm trying to think of the data structure of this, and I really don't want to fuck this up, right? So it's one of those things where it's like, oh god, if I don't set this up properly, it's going to be an absolute pain in the ass, right? So for context, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a thing where temporal is going to be used as a quick check for getting the values right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be basically used to quick insert before let's see, used to quick insert at end at beginning. So the long story short with this, right, is that the temporal newest and oldest, the idea is that, I guess I'll go back to Krita for this, is that so everything is going to exist like on a timeline, right? Let me quick set everything. Is there like a hotkey for this? Command R, got it, cool. Actually, no, let's not do that. We're gonna go. We're gonna just get rid of you. Then we're gonna go back to the brush, select everything. Okay, is there a hotkey for this? Nope. Anyways, but yeah, so the idea is like, you know, it'll be like message, stream start event, right? Messages, right? Stream end event, right? And then so the idea is that each one of these is going to have like a time value, right? More or less, right? So the idea is that what I could do, actually I'm using delta time wrong there. We're going to ignore the delta times because that doesn't make any fucking sense there. But yeah, so we're gonna get all the delta times in the right place. There we are. But yeah, so we'll have all the times, right? And then so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like temporal old will be equal to the oldest time, and then temporal newest will be equal to the oldest one, right? And then so then if there's a new message that gets inserted here, then what will happen is I'll take the temporal old and then I'll just move that equal to that one now, right? Because in that way, then I can quick skip the search, right? And if I don't, then oof. Chad, you see that sick ass B? It's heckin' cool. Exactly. Thank you, Tony. But yeah, so that's what I think I'm gonna do for the temporal stuff because fun times. And then that way, that will allow me to insert events faster and just work as a quick skip, right? I could technically look this up as well. Oh, do I want this to live as a separate state? Because if I do this, then I have to do everything. I guess what I could just do is just ignore that entirely, because in that way things can still work. Then I could just do, like, you know, because this is the, what do you call it? This is the event timeline, right? The event timeline. So I just do the index of 0, and then, you know, then I can just query here, like, you know, dot length, and then that's pretty much everything that I would need to worry about. Bees are cool. They are, in fact, cool, Tony. Yeah, that makes sense to me, because I would prefer to go for this one, because then I don't have to worry about this state, because I'm worried about this state. This requires somebody knowing that state, and knowing that state inherently is a fucking yikes. So that actually is something I don't like. It was something that I was considering, but I don't like it. So let's see, is there anything else I'm forgetting? I don't know. Yeah, okay, sure. That's what I'm gonna do then. So what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna go here. Let me double check TID because I needed to actually do some reworking real quickly as well. So let's do clear. Alright, so I do console.clear. It's a function. There we are. Then what I want to do is I'm gonna go for the I'm gonna load the inputs. I'm gonna start the monitoring. I'm gonna stop the monitoring. I'm gonna then go get the state. Cockatiel.get state. Oops. Boop, boop, boop. There we are. I don't know why I did that instead of typing it, but whatever. So if I go back to here, and we go to the event timeline, if I'm correct, there should just be, like, a timestamp on this. Oh, they don't have timestamps on the debug prints. Ooh, that's spicy. Okay, so we're gonna do, debug print. Okay, we're gonna do space debug, print. Es for Jesus. Debug print. Args? Yeah, there we are. Okay. So what else I need to do is I need to do, let's see, time, or what should I do? Should it be printed at? No, I guess just T for time. I don't fucking know. Date.now. That's more data, but that's fine. Why did that not update? Excuse you. Excuse you. Oh, I see. Because it didn't save in the right place. Tony, why must you send gobbledygook? Right, let's see. We're gonna go there. Statements. Let's see. We're gonna do let's t. I'm gonna like this. We're going to be equal to date.now. Boop. Let's see. Statement. Oops. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go \n t. I guess let's do t is going to be equal to $blip. Then we're going to do t. Let's see. I'm just going to change it to e. V and M. There we are. I think that works. Because my brain is liquefying, that is entirely valid, Tony. And this will also just be T. Okay, let's try this now. This should hopefully function. There we are. Now we can see the time difference. Yay! Okay. Because the entire thing is I very, very much want this to all be temporal, right? Like, I want the starts and the finishes and everything like that to all be contextual, right? Because if I don't have that happen, then I'm going to cry. I'm going to go into a small ball and cry. Okay, So let's see. I'm gonna go. I think I have just safe add message to queue, which will be the safest one. Safe add event to timeline. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go p underscore message dot. Actually, do I even have dates or timestamps attached to the fucking messages? Hold on a second. That's an important thing to check. Holy shiza. Holy shiza. Wait a fucking second. Hold the fucking phone. Pump the motherfucking brakes. Okay, my brain is liquefying. Oh, I do have received at. Okay. That's better. That's better. Received at is what I'm comparing to. So, let's see. So I'm gonna say if, whoopsies. If, I'm just gonna go like this. If p underscore message dot received at is greater than this dot hashtag state dot event underscore timeline dot I guess you did the last one, which would be the length of the array. I should have just queried this, but you know, fuck it, we've all dot length -1. Then we'll just do the immediate add. Let's see. Check if is new oldest thing. New oldest thing. There we are. Else. I'm gonna do, or so I'm gonna do just if here, I guess, because why not? If. Boop. Then we're gonna do like this. If let's see, check if is new is newest thing. If is newest, that's a weird sentence to say. Puzzle hearsay, this is what my brain just said just now. What are you trying to do specifically right now, one? What you trying to rock? So if that's the case, then I forget, how do I add to the beginning of an array in JavaScript? I know there's a word for it, but I forget the word for it. JavaScript, add to beginning of array. I don't think I need to do the thing. Is it unshift? You taste the original array. Unshift, banana, mango. Banana, apple, mango. Okay. So if that's the case, then we're going to do this dot hashtag state dot event underscore timeline dot unshift, and then we're going to be adding the p underscore message. So push unshift. What the fuck does shift do? JavaScript shift. This is whether the array removes the first element. Oh, so shift. That's some weird fucking logic, but okay. Trying to be a boss in Silksong. Oh, you did start that up immediately. That was a quick start. Goddamn. Goddamn, motherfucking slam that shit in the fucking first gear. Holy fucking shit. The second most common attack doing double damage is not helping. That is valid. Okay, so we're doing that. Else, we're gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say, let timeline start is equal to. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go boop. We're gonna go $. We're gonna yank that out. We're gonna paste that here. Oh, I just realized I also completely missed that. Dot received at. There we are. Oops. Let's do timeline start. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go timeline end. I also just realized I also fucked that up because I loosely copy pasted that. Oopsies. Let's also fix that. So we're gonna do is less than timeline start. Timeline start would be the 0th element. Excuse you, good sir. Select the inner brackets, please. 0 dot received at timeline end equal to that. I'm just thinking. Sorry, I think I'm just washed. Not gonna lie. I feel that. I feel that. The pain is real. Is less than the timeline end. Wait, no, unshift. This would be the start. Yeah, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You're gonna be up here. You're gonna be down here. You're gonna be the end. You're gonna be the start. It actually makes sense that I swap these functions after, so don't let me forget to swap them. Oh hey, what's up, Biohazard? How's it going? Apologies for, like, stopping the stream, like, basically right at the end when you donated. It was just one of those things where, like, I was already going for, like, 5 hours at that point, and I was not intending for that to be a long stream because I'd worked today. So pain and agony and crying. So, yeah. How you doing? How's it going? What's up with you? So we're doing timeline start, timeline end. I'm gonna do the end first, so the end is much more likely. Let's see. Let's see. Given the nature of the bot, end is much more likely. There you go. It's so good I went to sleep afterwards. Okay, cool. Fair enough then. Then it all works out. Gives you an all-nighter to get some animation work done. Ooh, fun. Personal project, or is it like work? Because those are two very different types of things. Vulpso so bad, he had a sad piss. Exactly. Exactly. Also probably also valid. Also valid and true. True or trues were never true. Oh god, then here's where I needed the for loop. Shit. Okay. So the unshift would be adding to the start, push would be added to the end. Yeah, that makes sense. So then else will be find find the point to insert, and let's see, find the point to insert, and what am I trying to think of? Find the point to insert and then do thing. Personal project, I'm big at everything. Evil 9 skid, and I'm 99% done. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I actually, like, took a tiny little peek at your channel because I think I've seen you in chat, like, once before, if I recall correctly, but then I think you disappeared into the ether for a while, and you swung back, yes. But then you swung by again, so then I was like, hell yeah, let's take a little peek. And yeah, I noticed a lot of skits, and I'm like, hell yeah, this is the shit that, like, YouTube needs more of. Less AI bullshit, please. So hell yeah, tip of the hat. If you enjoy, I didn't look too long because I did, like, go to bed, but, like, hey, if you enjoy skits, then wink wink nudge nudge. Points at Biohazard madness. Let's see, find the point and insert. There we are. Okay, so I'm supposed to do 4. We're gonna do a boomer loop because I like boomer loops. Boomer loops are cool. Let's see. So we're gonna do let I is equal to 0. Well, find point to insert. Starting at the end because end is much more likely. There. Because end is much more likely. So we're actually going to do the end is going to be equal to this dot hashtag state dot event underscore. Actually, I should clone the timeline, shouldn't I? No, I should not because this is a live timeline. Underscore timeline. Go and make a queue for this. I'm gonna add a note here. Add a warn. Warn. Let's see. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna say, let's see. This is not thread safe. This should really be abstracted into a queue, QUEUE system at some point, similar to GPU programming. However, for the JavaScript client, this isn't a huge concern due to JS's single-threaded nature, so I'm not going to worry about that unless errors arise. Yep. All right. There's that little note. Personal projects that make it everything, everything 90 skin and 90%. I think I've read that message already, and for some reason my brain ejected that from my mental status, so that's cool. Oh, YouTube just had an error where the entire viewership dropped to 0. Right as fucking Biohazard sends a fucking message. So I meant Resident Evil 9. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I thought you meant that. But like I was like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being stupid. maybe it's like a trilogy. I was having so much trouble getting my system to run I was having so much trouble getting my system run. Microslop killed my system, and I ended up spending months trying to get my system work again. Yeah, so you want to know something very funny about that? Is, here, let me do a very small thing very quickly. So you'll notice right now that I'm programming on Mac. You can tell because of that little Apple logo in the upper right. And then the other funny thing is, that's very thrilling, is if I jump over here, let's do, one second, I'm trying to think of commands. Neo fetch, I think is what I'm thinking of. No, not fetch. What is it? Fuck, what's the command called again? Let's see. Frick, where would they be? Which, I'm trying to think of the thing about which, double dash all. Isn't that all? No? Let me just double check how to like look up the commands of my system. One second. Hold on. 1 second. I swear this is cool. Let's see. Linux. Linux display all commands on system. In command line. Sure. Just double tap. That is not working. Tab key choice, that is not actually that. Yep. That doesn't work at all. That does not work at all. I could do Command R and then I guess fetch, I guess. Not fetch, just fetch. Command R, fetch. No, what? What? Sorry, one second. I'm not a true Linux user. Fetch. Do I do Command R again? There's a lot of pre-fetches and things. Okay. No, this is what I'm looking for. One second. I can find this, though. Frick, what was it called again? I don't remember, because I'm stupid. Let's see. I can do, I can go this, and I can do, stream rig config. Yeah, that's the one, I think. There we are. Hold on. I know it's in here. It is going to be a thing. Stuff even, perhaps? Is it fast fetch? It might be fast fetch. Oh no, it's high fetch. Whoopsies. We're just gonna cancel that right now. I say cancel. High fetch. There we go. I got it. 1 second. Sorry, I forgot what the command was because I'm used to neofetch and neofetch took a dive. Anyways, 1 second. I'm doing this I'm sending this to Tony again. Tony, you are my scratch pad. There we go. Anyways, I can jump back now here. Give it a second. There we go. Here we are. Look at this. OS, NixOS. Mwah. Now I boot to Linux Mint 22.3 and Windows 10. Use Linux for animation work and general use, while Windows 10 is strictly used for my editing software. Filmora 12. I will nudge you towards DaVinci. What country is that? Yeah, let's go with that. What's the other thing that I was going to say? What software do you use for your animation out of morbid curiosity, Biohazard? Because that is a tit and a tat. Let's see. So receive that is going to be that. Yeah, okay. So then here we go. So then at the received at thing, we're going to do... Actually, I'm going to do a quick mark here. I'm curious how long this freaking thing is at. Oop, there it is. So if we go down to the bottom, 6,500 lines. Whoops, don't want to make a mark there. I want to go back up here. There we are. Okay, so we're starting at this .timeline length -1. Because just a double check. I got to do this as a sanity check. You should use Blender like the pros. What are they using now though? Is the question, because Blender might be the wrong sender. Krita, hell yeah. Hell yeah, Krita's fucking dope. Krita fucking right here. Been using it for my stream notes. Look at this sick ass bee. Look at this fucking dude. This dude's just vibing. He's just cruising. I respect a fellow Krita user. But anyways, yeah, so if I do something like array is equal to 1, 2, 3. So then if I do array dot length, that should be 3, right? Yeah, okay. I don't know why. I could have sworn that was wrong at some point or something like that. He's so sick, exactly. While I is greater than or equal to 0, I then want to do plus I, or no, I minus I, because I'm decrementing. Let's see. I'm gonna do if. Boop. Let's do this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna say if this dot stem the timeline event. I guess I should change received at to just T. That's gonna be a bit of an awkward thing to deal with, but whatever, I guess, gotta deal with it. Yeah, so the dot timeline event dot T is equal to yeah, okay, is equal, sorry, is less than, no, I'm thinking greater than. Yeah, no, that'd be greater than, because, yeah, okay. The event timeline of the index I is less than to that. Then what I want to do is p underscore message dot t, I guess, because I'm restructuring this. Dot t. If that is true. Actually, no. I'm gonna do if that is less than. Do I do less than? Oh, let's see. He's so sick. Either gonna leave. Bye. Have fun. One. Thanks. What I clapped out as a 2000 kid. Biotical will always be within my heart. Sorry. Thanks. When I clapped down is a 2000 kid. Biotical will always be in my heart. Exactly. It's mega vibing. I'm just trying to think. So I'm just gonna change received at. There's quite a few instances of this, but I'm gonna change this to T. T. Actually no, I should have both. Actually, received at type, and then T will be a dubu. Let's see. Received at. So received at is going to be time at which cockatiel received the message. Message dash event. Then down here with time, null. Time at which the platform claims the message dash event was created. Bat. Okay. Doing that because yes. So receive that. Okay, we're gonna skip that for now. Actually, wait, let's go back to here. We're gonna make a mark here. Then what I need to do is I need to figure out where the frick the thing is processed. Process and process key. Receive that is equal to p-message.receive that. Where's the p-message received at? No. No, to do not that. Hold on. I am looking for where's the loop? Where's the motherfucking Fruit Loops? Okay, let's see. And parse ID to and with key, yes. Version received that unit timestamp milliseconds, yes. That's what I want. Parse and add YouTube v3 messages. I don't know why I added YouTube, it's like two different things, but whatever. Alright, so you have this. That's the first instance where it's called. And that's fine. You have process and process key, which is here, this is the important one. This is the one I'm thinking of, which is the issue. So copies the link. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And I should do it specifically for YouTube. Process YouTube data.v1. Yep, there we are. Okay. Then I need to go to the... I need to kind of do both of these. Fuck. We're gonna do tab new. We're gonna find cockatiel.mjs. Tab new. Cockatiel.mjs. Then we're gonna go to backwards. Whoops, to backwards. So we need process YouTube v3 message. Whoops, process YouTube v3 message. Whoops, I fucked that one up last second. Message. Oh, there. Also, wait, I just realized Biohazard. Are you born in like 2000? Or are you saying that as like 2000 as in like you were like what do you call it? 2000 is as in like, you know, like I'm a 90s kid. Because I just realized we might be of a similar cloth than I originally thought. Brother may have some loops. Zib. Exactly. Process YouTube. Process YouTube. Super. Actually, no, it should just be super chat event, right? Super chat event. Yeah, there. Okay. So I'm gonna go back. Okay. So in the first one here, so you got all this shit. Oh, I just realized I should also go. No. There we go. Template messages. So I'm gonna make a. I can't make a mark here. So 2443. 2443. 2443. 2443. 2443. Oh, it was right there. Okay. 2443. Right. So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna say raw message to receive that equals data.parse. I'm gonna to publish that. Okay, no. That's what I want. So I'm gonna go delete the receive that. I'm gonna go T, and I'm gonna do new message dot received at equals date dot now. I think that works out. Because then these should display desperately different things depending on the timestamp. I think. I pray. I hope. I cry. I think. Oh, so here, let me change the song while I'm at this, because, yeah. What's this one? I don't remember this. Oh, this song fucking sucks. I like the artist, but that song was a swang and a miss. Swang and a miss. Okay. Trying this shit again, let's go. Trying this shit again, let's go. You're born 1999, but I grew up in the 2000s. That means I grew up with Biological Difference, Halo, OG COD, and Pop Punk. Yeah, you are 1 year older than me, Biohazard. That's the reason I asked, because I was born in the year 2000, so it's like, oh my gosh. Because I remember somebody telling me this, but it's like Golden Dragon birth year. I don't know if this is something that somebody made up. Golden Dragon years of the Chinese Zodiac are specifically 1940 and 2000, as the Zodiac runs on a 60-year cycle. Yeah, I'm a Golden Dwagon. I'm a Golden Dwagon rar, apparently. So, neat, I guess. And the 2 year older than me cry, I'm a small boy. Well, you're a large boy, but small in years. Alright, anyways, so if I'm going to refresh this to be safe. With that being refreshed, I should be able to load the inputs, start the monitor, stop the monitor, get the state, get state. Then I should see a discrepancy where almost all the time for one is very close, but then all the time for something else is very far apart. 'Cause, yes. Oh, but I just realized now I define time as two different things. Oh, shit. Okay, no, we're gonna do this. We're gonna swap these to be back to the same thing. because that would be a very bad. Boop. Ah, but do I want to separate these? Can't draw another bee. We need more coolness. Sure. Let's see. Where's the motherfucking critter? There we are. Here, I'll give them a little friend. We'll go. This is going to be a chunky bee. Let's see. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna make them. We're gonna make them a tired bee. We're gonna have them just cruising. We're gonna have them just buzzing along, buzzing in the future. Whoopsie, that's a bad line. We're gonna go boop, boop, boop. We're gonna go add another. Whoopsie, that's not what I wanted. Oh, I see, because there's a small little dot there. Aha! No! Stop! Come back here. I'm gonna shrink you down to 0. Boop. Boop. Little stanger. I'll give them a little bit of a cigarette. This was done with the other bees bullshit. I'm gonna post with the art again because fuck it, why not? Art sharing. More bee. There. Nicholas Cage. Not the bees! Not the fucking bees! Anyways, no. Okay, no. I do want these separated for different reasons. I do want these separated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do boop. Actually, I guess I can just make you T in general. Bees! The bee apocalypse has died. Shush, Tony. Shush, Tony. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna make a quick poll real quickly because I'm actually curious on what you all think about this. Do you enjoy these streams with or without music? Some music would be nice. I actually prefer the no music. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you, Adam. There you. You're a beautiful little chicken nugget, and I appreciate you greatly. Some. I'm gonna let that poll cook because my intention is right now is that I have no music on because then you guys can like put your own music on in the background or something like that. But I know a lot of you probably also use YouTube for music, so I don't know how annoying or not annoying that would be. All right, let's see. So I'm gonna go back to here. Let's see. I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go back to the T value. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to here. I'm gonna say, let's see. This time value is meant to be the true time something happened. So if true time something happened. Yeah, let's say that. I received that. Let's just receive that. There you go. Let's see. I thought this was some keyboard ASMR stream, though. I mean, I got the clicks because, like, I'm actually personally not a huge fan of the clacky keys. But the thing is that, like, it makes it more, like, textile for you all watching, right? So that way when I type, you guys know that, like, something's happening. Yeah, I'll move the mic away from the person who ever they are and move the mic next to the keyboard. Okay, I mean, it's already basically right beside the keyboard. Here you go. Is this the ASMR you want? Is this the clicks you've been hoping for? Oh yes, sensual. Oh, 2 hands in there? Oh fuck. I didn't know it could be that hot. God damn. Oh, are those the toes now too? Damn, that's crazy. Whoops, I accidentally closed the terminal. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. I might crash the page. No, I can still hear you, damn. I see Adam just hates me. I see how it is. I see how it is. Okay, so anyway, so I got that. B reveal when. Sure, I think. Damn, everybody wants music. Okay. Okay, here's what I will ask you then as a question after this. So I'll make a new poll just after this. So considering you all want music, start poll. Let's see. Would you all like a stream or 2 or 5 where I make music for the backgrounds of streams ? Boop. Well, we're trying to hack into the mainframe with the click clack. Yeah, the most stereotypical keyboard sounds. I need to hear the Haxor sounds. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So then we're gonna go back to the process YouTube command thingy. Whoops, I'm in the wrong window. Process YouTube. I guess I just do YouTube message. YouTube message. I spelled that wrong. Message. No. Process YouTube v3 data. Because it's specified v3 message. I see. Can I possibly make a song for stream? If you are okay with the context of not having what do you call it? Not having royalties from the song. But yes, Saturn. If that is the case, I'll need you to sign a thing in DMs. But like, outside that, then cool. Yes. What's the yes about? What's the yes about? Huh? What? Yeah. What? Yes. Do it. The music thing. Huh? Sure. Let's see. So then from there, let's see. We're gonna go here. Time that published at. Let's see. BB Windows is dying from clogging. That is entirely fair. I wish you well with your sickness. I'm gonna laugh at you. You try to play like old 90s and 2000 techno music while you're typing loud music. I mean, I could potentially do that. That is in fact a concept. Also, thanks for the links to me. That isn't meant to be like a mocking laugh. That's meant to be like a thanks. But it sounds very mocking. It's just like, hey, the timing on that. I just realized I have no event timeline, do I? Nope. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna load the inputs. We're gonna start the monitor. We're gonna stop the monitor. And then I want to see the temporalness of this. Show me the temporals. I just realized I don't think there's gonna be much of a temporal thing because oh, there's still temporal. Neat. Okay. Show me the state. You're the same. 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 Yeah, so you can see how quick it's processing. Because these are on like the scale of like milliseconds, I think. So yep. Okay. Sure. I'm debating how I want to handle this. Unaccounted for case input. Okay, let me also fix that one quickly. Tab new. Let's see. We're gonna go back to cockatiel.mjs. Unaccounted for case inputs. So I need to add the 0 and the little tickum. 0 and the 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 tickum. So that should all go down there. So then we've got the 0 up here. 0 would be an O. Do I have an O set up? No, I don't. So let's see. Case. This would be a 0. Whoopsies. 0. I don't know how I want to handle quotes. How do I want to handle quotes? Have I decided to handle quotes yet? I guess I'd add quotes there. Sure, why not? So we're gonna then go for a single quote. We're gonna go for a double quote. Actually, go like this then. Doot, double, doot. There we are. Okay. So people want to see the music. Now the follow-up question to the music is, would you all be cool if I did music for like an hour? Would you be cool if I did music for like an hour? Question mark. Doop. All right, there we go. But the thing is that this does seem to be sorted correctly, because if I jump back down here... Oh, wait. So let's see. So that all seems to be good. I think I can then get rid of you. I can go back to you, I think. If I then go back to Armo, presses YouTube down. Okay. Process YouTube super chat event. So I want to change received at to time. Does it not have a received at? Does this not have a received at? Excuse me? As chat sponsor, snippet, display message, super chat details, display name, profile input is verified. What? The super chat, oh, published at. Okay, there we are. Published at. So I'm gonna do published at, new message dot published at. Published at, okay, yeah, so there's that. Received at, I'm changing received at to time. Dash time. There. Bulbous literally stressing himself out while coding when he could be making music, big L. I don't know if people like me making music or not. It's legitimately one of those things where I always sit here, I'm like, do people even like it when I fuck around? Because the issue is that a lot of my music's like experimental until like I like quote unquote lock in, right? So it's like, okay, does this work? I don't know if this works or not. Oh shit, I forgot to do anything. Wait, tab, new, cockatiel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding a multiplier for people who donate messages, because heck yeah. So add score, score, anyways, I don't know how to react to that vulnerable, Adam. I really don't know how to react to that vulnerable. Let's see. Is there a truckin' score? I'm looking for a score, please. There we are. So score message, and I'm also gonna go to I'm gonna add a minimum, and then multiplier, minimum, maximum, multiplier. Score message will be the message, minimum, maximum, multiplier. There we go. So score message, so it's gonna be message, minimum, maximum, multiplier. Let's gonna break these out so they're easier to read. Minimum, unbound, maximum is unbound, multiplier, unbound. Whoopsies. Wait, why did that? Wait, that jumped a weird amount. Alright, I guess everybody's saying yes, so cool. Okay, cool. Let's see, is your genre of music that you like to call keyboard clacking? No. I mean, I make a bunch of things. I have like 3 songs published on Spotify, and I think they're all like drastically different. So that's neat. Keep track of the previous messages user posts and check out the current one to make sure they're not the same. I do have that already, actually, Adam, so surprise. But I use it also based on like the temporal data. So the idea is that like I can basically check if a message is a duplicate or not. Because like as an example, if somebody's like interacting with a stream and they're saying like, yeah, do a thing, or like you're like do it in like 3 different messages, I don't want to like nuke those messages, right? So yeah, so there's that. Let's see, minimum is going to be equal to I'm going to say null. Maximum is going to be equal to null. Multiplier is going to be equal to, I guess 1. Because, yeah, why not? So let's see, we're gonna do all this. Why does it say return 0? Let's score because you're. Oh no, that's just the define. Okay. Because there shouldn't be anything else past this. So score is being returned there. Check for trigrams. Oh yes. I see. So I'm gonna jump to the end of this. We're gonna jump to the end. There we are. Return score. So what I'm gonna do. Let's see. If minimum is not equal to null, then do a thing. If maximum is not equal to null, then I'm also going to do a multiplier. I'm going to do the multiplier beforehand. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to go multiplier minimum maximum. There we are. Let's go back to there. So we're going to do multiplier minimum maximum, because then you would do the multiply and then clamp it. That makes sense to me. Volbite, give us a keyboard tap solo. Okay, was that satisfying? Did that give you the, like, ASMR shivers? If multiplier is not equal to null, type... let's see, if... type of multiplier is not equal to... Oh, do that in the right spot. Is not equal to... Whoopsies, that's also what I'm looking for. Not equal to number. I'll throw a warning. This dot debug print. Type of... I'm going to do message. Let's see, minor error scoring message, minor error scoring message, scoring message, multiplier is not a number. I guess I should say is nan. Is nan. Oh yeah, I also forgot there is the whole nan thing. Let's see, is nan, and I want that to be a bang, boop, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna do multiplier, P-L-I-E-R. Hello everybody, my name is Multiplier, and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know why multiplier isn't coming up, multiplier. Alright, cool, I don't know what I did wrong there. If is nan, multiplier is nan, boop. Comma space, val is going to be equal to multiplier. That's all I need for that. You were headbanging to that? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Needs more triplets proof. Damn. Volbite, record a key kayak and DM it to me so I can cook an FL Studio Mobile. That's going to take a lot of effort for the bit. That's going to take a lot of effort. Just look up like a cherry blue and then go with that, because it's not my exact key, but it is close enough. Else... Oh no, that's supposed to be if is not a number that. And then else will be the logic, which will just be score... let's see, I'm gonna do, score is gonna be equal to, score times multiplier. There we are. Boop. We're gonna like this, then we're gonna like that, then we're gonna like that. Come on, Volb, do it for the bit. No, that's a lot, that's a surprising amount of effort for the bit. It's a surprising amount of effort for the bit. Let's see, so I'm gonna do if, score is, less than minimum. Then I'm just gonna say score equals minimum. Score equals minimum. Oops, we can get rid of that now. And I can just copy this whole shebang. Where the score equals minimum, if maximum equals null. If is nan, minimum. Then I'll subtract that to a minimum. Minimum. There we are. Beautiful. Awesome. Minimum. If scores, if not a number, maximum. I'm gonna get rid of that part, and then also this part because yeah. Let's see. For all the donos, fine. If you're gonna guilt trip me about it. Whoopsies. Maximum. Okay, there's that. Here's actually a question. I'm gonna do a little poll event for this just so I can keep track of it. Do not submit multiple. Let's see. What genre should I try make tonight? Question mark. Oh no, it's not a poll. Wait, hold on. I don't want to make a poll. I want to make a Q&A thing. Q&A. What genre should I try make? Question mark. There's that. Okay, cool. So we got that now. Score is greater than the maximum. Maximum. Then score is equal to the maximum. Let's see. So we added some clamping. Then I'm just gonna up here do a quick. Or I guess I'll do it down there. Let's see. Got the minimum, maximum. Let's see. So then here we're just gonna do if minimum is greater than maximum. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a quick swap, where I'll just say minimum is equal to maximum ORed by minimum. There we are, and I'm just gonna go boop boop. Maximum. There's a quick swap for you. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna leave it up to the wheel to decide what genre I do at the end of that. So, wait, why is there 2 Q&As made? What? On mine, it shows 2 Q&As running at the same time. Oh, it shows 3 now. That's... Oh, it just... Okay, it just keeps adding Q&A events as I add more things. Okay, cool. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's wonderful. Alright, so then that should all be swapped now. That's basically just locking it in. So then... I forgot what the entire purpose of this was. I think it's because I was doing something with this one. Ah, yes, because I was doing a super chat event. Because then what I'm doing is I'm going to go down to the score message. Score message. So we're doing minimum max, or sorry, should I do multiplayer minimum maximum? I think I should do multiplayer minimum maximum, or multiple, new, or sorry, tab new. We're gonna go for the cockatiel thing, the module JavaScript file. And I kind of want to swap multiplier to the first one because I feel like multiplier is gonna be a lot more important. Score, multiplier, okay, is that the first one? Okay, cool. So let's see, we got the minimum, maximum, okay, yeah. So then here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to boop. We're gonna find the opening parenthesis. We got the message, we got the minimum, we got the maximum, we got the multiplier. Alright, so we're gonna like that. So the multiplier, I'm gonna say for any donation is gonna be 2x. And then the minimum score is gonna be... I don't know what a genre is. What's your forte? I kind of do anything, though I have a very heavy bias towards like electronic stuff. That is what my lean is. In fact, actually, right now I'm basically only going to do electronic because to set up my guitar right now for an hour of stuff would be a pain in the ass. Let's see. The minimum I'm going to say is going to be donation amount divided by, because the donation amount is going to be a whole other thing. I also forget what the donation amount is defined as. Where's the donation amount? Where's the donation amount? Donation amount is equal to that. Yeah, so... Whoops. The $, yank it. So we're gonna do this. And then... So that would normalize it to a points thing. So I'm gonna go like that, I guess. Let's see. And then we'll just say times 100. Because you donate $1, no, that'd be at least 10,000, I think. Yeah. So let's see. I.e., if you donate $1, you get at least 10k points. That wouldn't even save any characters. 10k points. Roughly 1 TTS message. Yeah, there. Here it says this is our logarithmic, so it should be a log donation scalar. I mean, but this isn't that. It's something else. In that case, why not some rock? Oh no, I said not rock because it would be a giant pain in the ass to set it up. So I'm probably not going to set it up. Sorry, my apologies. I might have said that horribly. And then we'll just leave maximum as null. There we are. Actually, times user dot. Oh, now this is where I need to calculate user rep. User rep. God damn it. Okay. I'm gonna put a mark here. I'm gonna go back up to. I'm gonna do get users quickly. Do dot get users. Boop. This is meant to be a test. Do not be alarmed. It is a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Let's go for, I guess, biohazard, because why not? So, is there a conduct score? No. Okay, it's a conduct score. Do I have a calculate conduct score? Calculate conduct score. Okay, I don't. So, where's conduct at? Conduct. Oh, calc user conduct score. Okay. Conduct score plus equals number. This dot clamp. So clamping it to a 1 or a 0. Age dot now equals. What the fuck is any of this? I don't know where I was at. Return conduct underscore score. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. Unix time is 1 month 1 year. So we're going to that. So that's the decay, misconduct score. In that case, do whatever's comfortable you play. Fair enough. Well, thank you. See, my thing is like I'm a person who like really enjoys like sounds, right? So like I like to try and kind of like lean around the idea of like trying to make like a sound profile, right? Like I try to like I enjoy making like unique sounds that I haven't heard. All right. You know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go up here. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna do like I'm gonna go -ul like that. I'm gonna make a list item. Doop. There we are. Oh, pat. Oh, sorry, what? Roses are gray, violets are gray. I am a dog moment. Let's see. Update calc user conduct. Scoring can scoring can have rep multiplier. Let's see. I'm just gonna do this. Actually, I'm gonna do an H3. Where you left off. H3. There we are. All right. So update user conduct score. Update. All event objects. Objects to have a T value for when they happened. And that's pretty much where I was at. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. So I'm going to pause the development here then, and I can switch over to doing music. So let me pause the music I'm currently listening to, because you all apparently like music, while I open the Ableton. The Ableton 12 Alive. Sweet Pro Gashmoogity Boogity. Alright.
Who's ready to go deaf? Me!
Okay. Let's see what we can see today on the radar. Alright. Who's ready for some fat beatsies? I can do you under the roses are red, violets are blue. I have to go to the bathroom. Oh, damn. He got you, Tony. Let's go take that sin down. Okay, why are you still on that? You should be switched over. There we go. There we go. Here, wait. Real quickly. For funsies, who wants to see their user scores? Let's refresh. Actually, let me just check the console to make sure this isn't fucking broken, because I probably broke something in the meantime. Whoopsies. Let's see. We're gonna load all inputs. Then we're gonna start monitoring. Stop monitor. Oh shit! Did something not break? Holy fuck! Did I manage to make progress without absolutely borking everything? Holy shit! Yeah, see that Biohazard has 1100. Adam has 420. Tony has 340. One has 200. Test account has 80. That's fine. Yeah! Arts, for some reason, has no points. I don't know what that is. Here, you know what, Art? You can have 100 points. There we go. Roses are red, violets are blue, and the end will never stop loving you. Oh, that's cute, Adam. You're still recovering from that last loud-ass song you did. Well, you see, Tony, you could have voted no. But alas, here we are. Random side thing, actually, is I've been kind of getting into the plugin Surge. I don't know why. How many points do you have? I think you had like 420. Your phone screen is so small. Yeah, that's fair. This is meant to be like a user dashboard. Adam, you currently have 1,980. Pat. So you're actually the current #1 chatter right now. And again, I search. Yeah, Surge is cool. I've been kind of enjoying it because I found that, like, although they can make very you know, Tony, you can have some points. You can have some points. You know what, Tony, you know what, you can have 1,000 points. There you go. Tony's now the #1 chatter. Actually, no, they're still behind Adam because apparently the update loop is still running. I don't know how. There you go. Cry. Yeah. You just got snaked, I guess. I don't know why that's apparently updating. Why is that updating? It's like if I click on this and I go back, it's like updates. It's weird. Well, we're gonna hide you, I guess, and then we're gonna go into this. But yeah, like I find the VSTs. That's not what I wanted. I find VSTs like kind of like lead you a direction, right? And I find that like being able to like kind of like guide the like letting the VST guide you different directions is probably better. Can we do the streaming speakers? I think is what I want. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down before I test, but nope, that's not right. Boop. Oh, that's because I chose the wrong one. Let's do streaming speakers. Nope, I'm not hearing anything. I don't think it'd be muted either. Oh, there it is. Alright, this is delayed to the point that I can't actually play anything, so that's going to be a pain in the ass, but we'll make it work. In 7 years when you finish Tib, will you be free? You need someone to chat with you? No, of course not. They're my slave. They're going to be locked in my basement forever. Let's pull out Cockatiel, the main window. I'm going to do a wheel spin. Wheel of names. Yeah, we're doing... What the fuck is that? Megalovania mid-tempo. Oh, it's from the last time I did. Neat. Cool. Okay, anyways, so pulling up the QA results, we are going to have the options of... No, I can't end the Q&A yet. I have to view the Q&A first. See, it keeps making a new event each time I do one. So we got Goatcore, Techno. I'm going to do the first results of both of those. So, Goatcore, Techno... You know, I'm actually gonna lie. I'm gonna do chill because why not? And then I'll do experimental because that's what I normally do. Experimental. And we spin the wheel. Well, hey, remember what you were saying, Biohazard, about doing a weird-ass song? Or having some, like, techno playing in the background when doing things? Hell yeah. I'm gonna end the Q&A, confirm. Boop-a-doop. Let's go! Let's fucking go! I don't do that much techno, so it's gonna be a weird fucking thing for me to do. Not really, but, like, kind of. I do techno along with Nutbus Core. Sure. Alright. Let's start off with one of these kits. So we're just gonna go to here. We're gonna have to go fucking boom, boom. Standard 4 on the floor. Boop. I'm gonna do like a 130 tempo for this. Whoops, 130, please. 30. Whoopsies, can you play? Where the frick did this go? Why did that become invisible? There you go. Maybe 140. Nah, I think that's a bit fast. Let's do, I guess, the 128 standard. Then we're gonna need some delay on this because every fucking what do you call it? You know, techno song has a fucking bop and kick. Let me turn up the audio for this because this is still kind of quiet for me to like specifically mix on. Better. Is that drum gritty on your end, or is it just me? It might be... It might be... Here, let me just check the stream, I guess, quickly, because that can work the best. It might also be your phone speaker, like, clipping as well. It might also be your phone speaker, like, clipping as well. It might also... No, I'm hearing the grit as well. Oh, do I have a way to fix this? Because if not, that's going to be a pain in the ass to try to fix. I know a way I can fix this. Give me just a second. This is going to be a little bit jank. I'm basically going to swap from streaming on... No, I can't do that. Fuck. Could I set the audio output to be the other thing? This might work. This might not work. Can I hear this? That's the big question. I might need to adjust this some. Oh, I can still hear it. Oh, that's because I think they changed the other thing. Oh, because it needs to be changed here. Oopsies, whoopsies, poopsie, doopsie, doopsie, doopsie. One second. This is going to be crunch. Okay, I see that the capture changed. Does it still have the crunch? Does it still have the grit?
I think I fixed it.
I think it was just the stream thing that I was using. Better? Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. That capture card that I got with the donations, thank you again, by the way, is coming in so fucking clutch right now. Holy shit. Oh, I can't choose the audio here. Okay, let me change back to the stream for a second. I'm gonna turn the audio back up. Some of you may go deaf. That is a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Let's go back to here. Because I gotta go back to here. And this should be playing again in just a second. Yeah. Okay, maybe I have to, like, reset it. Cintiq, UHD. Oh, now it's suddenly not working. As soon as I try to adjust the audio device. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it, Bobby. God fucking damn it, Bobby. God fuck damn it. God damn it. God shit fuck damn it. Wait, I have an idea. Hold on. Drum isn't hard enough. You see, I'm trying to get drum to even play in the first place. Okay, do I still have audio at all, or is it just like an issue with maybe something else? Oh, I lost the audio. 1 second. It might be because the sound reset. Cintiq? No, you're still playing. Oh, I tried to adjust one thing and then everything broke. Okay, so I can still hear myself. It's just the audio input capture for whatever fucking reason decided to shit the bed. Why? Why did you do that? Why did you? Why are my keys there? Hold on a second. Why are my keys there? I would have lost this for a hot minute. No audio. I am aware. I just need to try fix this, and I don't know why. I don't know how. I'm gonna try and do my best because I don't know what else to do. Because if I do anything else, then I will cry. Let's see. So we're gonna go to properties. We're gonna go switch from the that to the that. And then back to that. I think that works maybe. Possibly happen. No, it doesn't. Shit. Shit, fuck, damn, piss, shit, fuck, damn, piss, shit, fuck, damn, piss, shit. Okay. So it outputs to you. Does it still output to you? Okay, it still outputs to that. But it doesn't output to this. This just has nothing going to it right now. What if I go back to, say, this? No. Properties. What if I, like, deselect you, like, entirely? So now you hear me twice, and then I switch back to this, and then I also, in fact, go back to properties, and I switch you back to you, and I go, okay, no, shit. What if I go back to advanced audio properties? No, that doesn't do anything either. Fuck, shit, damn. Okay, what if I just unplug this whole freaking shebang and just restart the whole stream audio? Because maybe it's something to do with the thing, using like an old device ID or something, and then not updating for the temporariness. Congratulations, you're a true streamer for you have scruff. What? I have scruff? What does scruff mean? Huh? What's scruff mean? What does scruff mean? What does scruff mean? Huh? What's scruff mean? Oh, I hear things again. Okay, so what was that? It was the HDMI issue. What's scruff mean? I called it. I am a giant. Okay, so what was that? It was the HDMI issue. I called it. I am a giant. Okay, so what was that? It was the HDMI issue. Gotta switch back. Gotta mute myself. Gotta shut up me! Shut up me! Shut up me! Gotta mute myself. Shut up me! Shut up me! Shut up me! There. Evan, shut. My mouse isn't turning on now again. Okay, there we go. My mouse is back. My mouse is back. My mouse has returned. Also, yeah, what does scruff mean? Mike. I don't... Oh, I got to reconfigure this. I really wish I could just set this to be like system device. I can. There we are. Oh, there we are. So let's get this tuned now. That's not bad. Let's try to get another one going. There, I like the sort of triplet vibes. Also, welcome back, one. As a techno expert, I'll be your guy today. Hey, listen, I'm still trying to experiment. It's all good. Whoopsies. Root those back up. Add a drum bus to this shit. Not scruff. Oh, scuff. Scuff is when something breaks doesn't work properly. Oh, then yeah, I've been doing that for ages. So trying to find one that gives good ambient. a snare. Let's go with that. Boop, boop. Let's have all that delay disabled. Let's add another drum bus to it. Maybe a bit of override, add some crunch. Well, it's gonna make new chicane offshore. I have no idea what you mean with that. Let's see. Is a term used by most streamers? I see. See, funnily enough, although I stream a fuck ton, I actually don't really watch like any streamers. I'm kind of just doing my own thing, just vibing. I'm not exactly saying that's a good thing. I'm just saying that's the thing that happens with me. I don't know. I'm kind of doing my own thing. Make the loudest hat in the center, not at the very end of the 4-hat loop. What's sorry? Make the loudest hat in the center, not the very end of the 4 loop. I don't know what you mean by that. Make the loudest hat in center. It is centered. And not the end of the 4-hat loop. I don't know what you mean by at the end of the 4-hat loop. Do you want like triplets? Is that what you're saying? I can do triplets. I can go fucking boop. Oops, let's try triplets, I guess, because Adam seems intent on triplets. Okay, let's just do this quickly, I guess. We'll just go yoink, cut, undo all that. Paste this here. You notice the loudest hat is not on is not 4, not more 3. What? Are you saying you want it to be like a different fucking rhythm? Is that what you're saying? Like you want the whole thing fucking like offset by like 1? Really not done that. Let's go reset that. We're gonna go boop, boop. Are you saying you want something like this? No, yeah, pretty much. See, I mostly watch friend streams. I do try to watch small streamers because you gotta support the little people. Thank you. So it'd be difficult with people. Yeah, I try to just do weekends because that's what I have time for, and then we go from there. I'm gonna ride with this, and if Adam doesn't like it, then I'm gonna say too bad. Alright, let's get some of that surge in here because I feel like I need to start playing with sounds. Jumps are aligning to, though, but I don't know what you mean with that, so I'm just gonna go, hey, cool. Make this a length of 2. We're gonna double this tight. let's do this one. Let's see. Recently, I've been using deep bass preset and the bass preset section. Yeah, but that's boring. You got to use that sound freaking profiling. Key trigger. I hear there's a way to like sync the rate. Huh, you can apparently just type in the formulas. Neat. I'm trying to think if there's a nice, decent way to sync this to the rate. I see. Here's the amplitude. It's also quiet now. The key trigger. The only thing is I'm just trying to see if there's a way to like sync this. Ah, Volbeck's too modern. Exactly. Hey Volbeck, can you read the drum echo for like 2 seconds? Sure. Borderline trance. Why does it get so quiet though is the question I'm thrown off by. Just get quiet for whatever reason. I don't know why. Your soul feels better? Nah, you tripping at him. You tripping at him. You are going absolutely nutters. That sounds very like a guitar. I added or whatever. Like this. We name each of the kicks. Here. Hey Tony. You have to syncopate the saws. Yeah, I guess. Can't hear the music, but if I made a Mario Kart tier list, would you rate them? What do you mean like that? Like by like all the games? Because I've only played like 4 or 5 Mario Kart games, so I definitely have not played them all. So I'd have to play them all first is the issue. simplify this whole nut. Let's make this actually in a knit patch. Now let's add the kickback. Beautiful. I don't know why I just like making tier lists. I mean, hey, go for it. Gonna be calling a night so I can feel the cafe word off. Cyber goodbye. Good night. Goodbye, Biohazard. Hope you had a fun time hanging out. I'm gonna be probably doing this for like another like half hour or something like that, and I'll probably be like winding down as well. So hey, hope you had fun and catch you later. Hopefully see you in the future. Let's go to Wavetable, I guess. Whoop, no. Why does it feel like I'm not hearing anything? Probably because of all the fucking distortions. Am I adjusting the wrong one? No, I'm adjusting the right one. Oh, I'm on the wrong wavetable, I see. I was on wavetable 2. Oopsies. Whoopsies. Like too clean of a sign, you know? Fifth notes when, maybe. That fucking scared you? Ultra OST from memory 1. Fucking never, because I don't remember any of it. Okay, turn down the saw so I could hear the jokes. I mean, I'm working on it. We don't turn down the saw, we turn up the drums. Let's do something like cute with this. I'm thinking something like dun, 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 dun. I'll go like that. Do, dooch. Turn that down. I'm working on it, Adam. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Why does it sound like the Battle for Bikini Bottom tile puzzle? I don't even remember what that sounds like, actually. What I might do is I might actually just do this. Just something like that. I'll preserve this. Go along. Fuck is the portmanteau on this? I As someone who knows nothing about music theory, I could say this is not a scale used in techno. It's literally just the fucking major scale. It's fucking 1, 5, 7, 9. Like, it is like the basic. Save this. Whoa, don't save a copy. Let's cancel that. We're gonna do files, save as. I'm gonna slide you over and I'll just save into my downloads, I guess, because I gotta sort you all later. This would be like 0305 techno underscore thingy. Cool. Keyword somebody knows nothing about music theory. Exactly. Here's how this would sound if I take this in a slightly different direction. I'm actually going to change this as well to be like, let's be like a blue, I guess. Just so you stand out a little bit more. And then let's go something like that. Keynote is F, so we're going to go. Let's add some plucking to this so we actually have some movement in this. Putting music starts, all 7 viewers. Nope. Yeah, kind of. Kinda. They enjoy the music after, that's what matters. So we're going to toss the filter on the cutoff, I suppose. Actually, wait, let's just do that first. We're going to go whip, whip. Let's just say 1,000 again. Actually, we'll say 10,000 because why not? And then we'll... No, I don't. Cool. There we are. Beautiful. I'm just going to duplicate this. Actually, I'm going to go back to you. I'm going to turn the fucking ADSR off. Go back to here. ADSR can go away. Go back into you. Raise you up a bit. Let's go some like triplet grid. We're gonna snap you to there. We're gonna let's go 3, 5, 7, I guess. That's a pretty basic. Sure, let's do that. Let's see. Keywords. What is like point of view? Yeah, okay. Usually the minor scale is used anyways. I'm pretty sure it's a part of both the scales because it's fucking. I remember it from fucking when I was trying to learn it, which is gonna be fucking whole, half, half. There's the hack to it, so there's that. So we have one. So this would be the 5. This would be the 7 actually right here that I chose. Then we have the 9th, which was this one. Then I think it's that. So I am actually using the minor scale already. Hee hee hoo ha hoo. Because then this one gets shifted up to the D sharp. So, Atom, I think you're incorrect. So if I look up C min scale. Yeah, so if we do frickin' 1, 2, 3, so that'd be 3. 4, 5, so E actually is excluded, but I don't know, whatever. Fucking scales don't fucking matter. Do what sounds good, not what's fucking some scale. Because you see, Adam, I think you forget that my music is largely experimental. I don't think that is really a common music sound. Or this. Maybe somewhere around here. Let's go something like that. Stoop. Boop, 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 boop. Let's try to do some loose arrangement quick. Doop a doop. Starting off with a kick feels fucking generic as shit, but sure. Let's, I guess, toss in the highs because of why the fuck not. Come in. There we are. I think that was for you. We're gonna do something like this. We're gonna add an EQ8 here. For that. I'm gonna remove the kick because starting a fucking techno song with a kick is so fucking generic. Actually, I should probably remove that one. Go away, thank you. I think you also need a bit of a delay to you, because right now you sound a bit stiff. I bet you need like a bit of like a saw, like a little like a wah, you know? A bit of a wah, a little bit of a wah, a little bit of a wah. Anyways. Which one was probably closest to that? This one, maybe? Let's do that, but a little less distorted. Let's do something like that. We're then gonna take the motherfucking thingamajigam. We're gonna go for the filter EG. There it is. Couldn't find it for a second. I don't know, we're gonna do like 15,000, because why not? I just need to take off the edge on you. Let's very quickly yank the notes that I had. I think it was here. Yeah. Boink. I'm gonna go here. I think on a new one. We're gonna go boop. No, I said the new one, you fool. Just gonna select all these. We're gonna like go way the fuck out. Legato. Sure, let's try something like that. Whoopsies, I should probably not do that. There we go, thank you. Let's grab you. We're gonna toss you in there. That's a bit. go something like... you can then go there. We're gonna drag you onto this. Do. Grab, I think it was you. Yeah, we're gonna go you. There we are. We're actually gonna go out to you. We're gonna go like you. Bring you all out. Awesome. Wonderful even. Perhaps even Fandangle. And you can then carry through. I guess you just go through the whole way. Unless I had a split here. Doot. Another fantastic kick here. Houndangle. Houndangle. Dunduggle. Come on, grab it. There we are. Bam. I'm gonna go for like you. Oh my gosh, just nope, not the eye. Not the UI, just zoom. There we go. Wow. Wow. And then I'm gonna go for, say, I think kick here. This rhythmic hair H. Then I'll go to like an oscillation thing where I'll go like that. That. I think that one again, yeah. And then I was something like these two going wah. There, like that. Duplicate that onto new channel because I like that. I just don't like it there. So that's the first blue one. Boop. Just gonna make it twice as loud. So let's get rid of all of you. Boop. that'll help kind of ease it in a bit. Let's see how this shit do. Hey, Blue, how's it going? Oh, is my chat not updating? Why is my chat not updating? Hold on. Oh, the page froze. I see. The browser did? Actually, I have an idea. Now, oh shit, my whole browser's like locked. That's weird. Let's quit. Fuck that. Fuck that shit. I thought it was broken. You're feeling kind of sick and tired, Blue? I am sorry to hear that. I hope that you feel better soon. I don't think I can offer really anything other than good vibes, so I wish you absolute best as soon as possible. That was actually fast, and I can read live in chat. Whoa, that thing. Vault tunes. Thank you. No problem. Well, that is, this isn't me making music. User 2000 music. I see. Ooh, let's try that saturated. Another kick in here. Actually, let's do this. Let's go like that. I'm gonna layer in a new kick. Sounds. Actually, we just do instruments. Gotta grab a sampler. Doink. Oh, that's why I made it an audio-only channel. I see. Dooch. We're gonna get rid of you now. Boop. Boop. Sampler. That's some crap, you know? Sounds. We're gonna go for a kick. Kick. Give me that gritty kick. That's some early raves. What, I can't hear you, music's too loud? There's like nothing playing right now, Tony. Yeah, I think I'm looking for something like that, but with like a pretty aggressive do it. Yeah, that, but now I need to tune it up. There should be a fucking tune thing here. Snap it off, link. Filter glow. You know, I just want simpler. Don't mess around too much with that other thing, so I just want simpler. Let's see, kick. Whoops, spelled the kick wrong. Again. It was. Yeah, it's kick D, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's maybe turn off that. I need a bit more transient T, yeah? So how about we add a bit of a high T? It's literally like a wah. That's what we call bed fucking music. It doesn't quite melt with the mix, you know? Looking for like a kick that really melts in the mix. Also, how do your mind get spooked, Tony? Hi here, today how's it going? Just currently doing some music for like a minute. When I heard my name, I was asking, what visions in your mind spook you? Let's just get a symbol in here. I'm looking for a crash. that. What I also want to do is I want to duplicate you, zoom you right in. I want to reverse you. Could have sworn it was no, not rename. I want to reverse. You silly bitch. There we are. There we go, like that, I guess. Boop, boop. Whoopsies, you're kind of loud. I don't like you very much. Holy crap. Let's go like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Show automation a new lane. Thank you. That's a bit too loud still. Let's go like here. I like that. It just ends too soon. So let's add another corrosion or convolution reverb. Let's add a delay as well to that. God, the mental flashbang. Fuck you, Volb. What mental flashbang are you talking about? Also, I got one question. Lol, you said I was playing some Dome Keeper, and I kept seeing you enter Critter or whatever the day was, that art program. Yeah, I was just doing art all day or art all night. So hey. It's a bit loud still. Well, I'm gonna leave you and make your music because I got some stuff to do, lol. Also, good night to you because I think it's like 2 to 3 a.m. for me. Actually, yeah, it is basically 2 a.m. for me, so I should probably get going, actually, now that you mention that. I'm gonna sidechain this to the kick because I think that would be a nice feel. Give me that kick sidechain quickly, and then, yeah, I don't know, I'll go from there, I guess. Cool. Yeah, I'm probably going to bed now, actually, because I completely lost track of the time.
So, hey, thank you for watching.
I think tomorrow I'm going to try do Agame. I'm thinking, like, Mario games, because why the fuck not? So, hey. Catch you later. Takamaters. Alright, almost a 4-hour stream. Hell yeah, just wait till they start. Let's go! Okay, good night, everybody. Bye! Goodbye! Thank you for swinging by. Thank you. Also, thank you, Adam, for the donations. You're very beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I wish you all a good night and good fortune.
Bye-bye, y'all.